I am here vibing with another one of St. James' talented musical sons. His parents named him Omari Lawrence, but we know him as...
Oh, there, Badda General. Live in living colors.
Father Froggy Rock.
Yes, sir. The great.
The man with the pieces Glock.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. I go on, alive and well and in good spirit and health, so you don't know.
Bad selector from them time till this time.
Yes, sir.
Turn bad artist.
Yes, sir.
Bad producer.
Yes, sir.
Music.
Right, that's sir.
That's how
Full 100.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Talk to us though. Early life. Place of birth.
Moby, yeah. Place named Bogue, you know.
Bogue, okay.
Yeah. I'm a place that I'm born and grow, you know. Yeah, man, we're not too gone over different still. We're screechy, go live at some different place from time to time.
Set up, man.
But a Bogue, when I Ramble Hill, that's around, that's my place.
Yeah, so many brothers and sisters.
Well, I have one brother and one sister I was sure about, and then another sister who my father introduced me to a later time. When I accept as, you know what I mean, I went away, so I'm a sister that too. But from the original stage, was just 3 of us.
And all your siblings are still alive?
Yes, give Jah thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
the old man and old lady still alive?
Well, my old man dropped out a few years back, 2019 to be exact. But my mother alive and well in the New York. They are going to do her thing.
Man. My condolences with the passing of your father. And mommy all right?
Yeah, man, mommy good, man. Good, man. Big up yourself, Miss Green. Yeah.
Where you attended school?
I started in Bogue. You know, the little basic school, the little school, what we call it.
Basic.
Yeah, and then we moved to the all-age school next door, which is the Ramble all-age school.
Okay. And
from there we went to Towile School for a little while, because my father bounced around for a little while too, you know, so we end up and we got Towile School, and then from there I went to Anchovy School. Yeah.
See the pre. What was it like growing up back then doing in St. James, financially speaking?
I not even know some poor because you don't know, but you know, but me never hungry. Can't tell a man that. I wasn't the type where we never either go to bed without dinner and everything there. I'm surrounded by family. So I have some aunties and I have uncle and everything that will make sure. Like me, a man we can just pass through all 4 different yards and eat dinner because you don't know the thing. But your sister, yeah, I know ramp with food, so you know we got you.
Yeah, right. So the world know Badda General back in the days as Froggy Rock, bad selector.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, where along the line though did music become a part of your life?
You know, so from my band teach them.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, from my band. I never, the one where I can tell you I never do anything other than music. So my band comes to my father with sound.
Big sound?
Yeah, man. I come to my father with big enough sound, man, like big 2 column and everything.
What was the name of the
sound? At them time, when my band, my father was sound named Rockers Hi-Fi.
Rockers Hi-Fi.
Saying, and that, so from my band and music, from my band, I play music. So my first memory is me actually playing a song named Ting-a-Ling by Tamblins. That's my first memory. Like I've been trying to
father sound?
Yeah. I remember my mother did turn on the system because my father used to set up the music room where you come in and you do this light switch. You switch on the light, the whole sound come on. So I just switch on and my mother allowed me to go play. I remember that record because it was a Disco 45. Like I remember Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a. It was one of my favorite songs. I play it. And that's my first memory. What I can remember. And I don't know what year that was, but I know that's as far back as I can remember.
Yes, but I understand. Yeah. So now, because, you know, Oliver Man,
yeah.
we interview a lot of men who own sword, but them not really interested in that. Yeah?
Yeah?
So was it because the sound was there, or it was just a thing where say, yeah, we're going to just music and a sound thing?
I believe the love of my father have passed on to me through the night there. But the link up they go on.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of song did I play, but I tell you I'm a band musical.
Musically.
Yeah, man.
We know they were.
So much so, I go through school and never interested in nothing else other than. I how many even play my father's sound because I try to get me to be like well done, do some different thing and learn trade. I say, what is that man?
Question though, Zane, because you just don't say, at school they ain't really even too focused because of the love of the music. You finish high school?
Man.
Okay,
yeah, man.
Nice.
Right, you.
Right, you.
And just for the record, for the last 3 years, I did it myself. I sent myself through my last 3 years of school. Never miss a day. and play sound in the night time and go to school in the daytime.
Growing up in a household where a sound system is there, you made use of that. You know what I mean? That was the early training ground, I suppose.
Yes.
But did you actually play your father's sound out in the street?
Out in the street in front of me yard.
Okay.
But no else.
No else.
I'm going no else. You know, I'm not understandable, so you're a kid.
And you there say, you want to do what? You there say, you want to do
want to learn trade and them thing that he was a jack of all trade, you know. He never really mastered none, but him good at everyone.
Right.
He can do every single thing. So at one point, I had to tell myself that the closest thing to the sound was being a technician, kind of electrician kind of vibe. So I did a kind of I lean towards that. So I say if music never work, maybe an electrician and them thing them I do. I love the string up sound business and the connect current business.
Yes.
Yeah, that was good.
So there was a love for the thing though, but how now did that love kind of manifest itself in you starting to going around a sound system other than your father's sound system?
Anyway, me hear the nice teach them. Believe me, this one day I come from school and I hear a sound I play. And you know, I follow the nights for about 2 miles a walk. And if just I get low, I say, no, that sound here. Sound. End up around a place named Observer Land, run a Hard Street. Run a place named Hard Street, and I'm mobile there. And a sound named All Nuts. Now, Deso.
All Nuts.
Deso was not my first sound, you know, but Deso was where I would say I get the opportunity for meet the likes of Pieces. And
okay, so we are going to step back a little because before All Nuts, I think there was Majesty.
Yeah, which is an elder was down the street from where I grew up. Him have a sound and the theme sound play really nice. Big up yourself, Father Junior, because he had the one where my father never really afford me the luxury of certain kind of turntable and certain kind of thing. And this brethren, they have them the kind of thing there and sliding. As a little youth, I listen to the radio and a brethren named Dana Van Day because them there they mix and it sound nice and they do the transition. So you know, I learn from them without even knowing them personally, you know, just by listening to the great Dana Van Day, because them man religiously every weekend. I tape cassette, I do everything because I want to hear when he mixing the Banana Man dub plate and some more dub plate. And so me learn to mix without even knowing, see somebody do it, just hearing him, blending the music together. So me used to go down at the bridge and I start make my own little cassette, them mixtape, the original style.
Right.
And that's one day he just said to me, say, yo, I carry go dance, you know. Tell me about 9 or so, you know, I don't think me even older than that, you know. And I say, yo, and this was like 88. Because I remember I was in a time before Gilbert come.
Oh, okay.
And the same year, and him carry me go out to dance. And him just said to me, say, you see the same way I'm here, I make the thing there when you're there in the room, I play the sound. Some I want you to play. And him carry me go out to dance, and I tell him, my dog, man, give me $80 when you're done, and I tell him, I don't know what to do with the $80. I tell him, say, yo, God no, I not like, come like, remember I'm a school as I'm a young youth, I don't know what to do with the money they teach. You know, say, let's jump off from this, still junior, and big up yourself in a junior.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first paycheck.
So I'm going to order this though. Which are the first sound system you go around out in the streets? Majestic.
Yeah. Well, here I go on. Johnny P, the artist, came go out a dance before that. Him thief me way and came up on the sound truck and bring me go to one place named Garland up in one place there. Now on countryside. And I said, but them time they bring me for go mix. Cause him say, yo, on the mix I the baddest thing, but him know say I select, I want to select, but I go mix them, Johnny P them and Calimetrics them and couple original artists from Mobile DJ up there, Freddie Ranks. And I me do the mixing. Bossy place to call them put me upon crates and things, go do the mixing. At the time I said, I'm going to have me a mix artist when I select more and go select tune. I was some man do.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that was early time to before I end up go play. And at the same place I go back go play a year later or 2 years later with Majesty Sound as a selector.
As a selector. Who back then though were you hearing, whether you know dance nearby or on the cassette selector we talk about we say, yo, I tell them and them want to be like, you know, you mentioned Dacres as in,
yeah,
you know,
well, radio and thing, yeah, but
as a sound system, who was the first man to hear where I say yes?
The first person I hear what I believe to myself said, this is how it's supposed to be done, was Rory. And when me hear Rory, it come like a God Almighty me, like a church. The only time Christian hear the church bell ring, something just go off in my head. And I say, no, you know, say, the greatest selector this ever. Me never hear one man play music.
Cassette or it was actual dance or cassette?
Cassette, me I hear, because them time to me I go to school and when the people top of the cassette, man, and them I play the new cassette, them and them get for the weekend. So, you know, me end up, the one that end up put in a Stone Love cassette. I'm come like, them hypnotize me from them trying to teach them. Yeah. The way how man present the music, them man, music that's sweet. Me I say, yo, what a man can select good. Then me go hear the man talk. I say, no, the greatest this ever. When as we move and the man just soothing and the man just smooth. And I say, no, the body selector. Remember, I don't meet him yet, you know?
Yeah.
I just my idol before I meet him.
I know whatever he is.
Yeah, man, but me I tell you, man, no selector like that to me them time.
Yes. So how did the Majesty part of the journey now? And Majesty was a big son?
It was a pretty good son for the Corner League, but
Corner
big
League.
son.
Okay.
No majors, but
yes.
you know.
So how did the Majesty part of the journey now lead you now into the Pieces part of the journey?
Because here I go on now, I want, first thing I did like dub plate. He's a man like dub plate. So you see now, the sound when I hear the day lead me around a thing on him, all that sound. When I go around there, them have enough dub plate, but here I go on with for them dub plate them now, them all. Some old dub plate and some old Jamis dub and some old everything. But here I go on. After that, by being in the city, me hip to Pieces. I know say Pieces have the new dub them. So even when me have to do that, all that sound, my focus was over. I want to reach where Pieces is there because Pieces are one thing that sound like a Stone Love with the and them have the something and the lick shot sound like a Stone Love and them have the hey and the drum machine sound. I say, how over this something for that?
So All Night was a bigger sound than Majesty?
Yes, than Majesty. This was like big sound in a Pieces them league, but not song-wise.
Okay.
But sound-wise.
Physical sound-wise.
Yeah, them could have play alongside Pieces and you probably don't know the difference sound-wise. But of course you can know the difference select and song-wise.
Yes. So what year you actually now ended up at Pieces and how that link they come about?
Pieces used to, original Pieces sound, you know. The stories, them used to borrow enough things and get one piece of arms from around and so on.
Okay.
So all that sound is a sound where like used to come, the owner of the Pieces used to come borrow one amps every now and again. If we have a big event, I'm assuming, and you have to get more boxes, you have to get more amps. So you know Pieces, so I saw come me meet Lied and them, now meet them like shaken, you know, but see them and say, these are the owner of the Pieces. I know you look at them like, oh, this is one I want Pieces. No, I need to meet that man. And then I see the selector and them and I say, yo, Corey, that, you know, oh, this is one I select, I need to meet that man. But Corey, I hear me. Because of course, where Corey lived was close to where All That Sound used to play once a night, once a week.
Yeah.
So of course, in my ear, and as a youth, if you get to know him, you realize I'm attentive when you come on to music. So if you are going with that thing,
he might go hear.
Pay
attention.
Because he's a man who him competitive in his nature, you know. So if him feel like you want bad selector over, so he take notice of you, even if you're not in a league, he might say, you know, so I know that boy there, my forward. He might go reach, you know, so I try to stop him from now, you know, so I beat him up from now, you know, so. Because I saw him stay, you know. Right. Yeah, man, him competitive like that. So me meet him through, I go pick up the arms 2 times around at which part Pieces used to base. And I meet him. I go meet him now. I say, yo, you know, I go there and see the liberty with them and see them and them bungle up together and everybody huddle up and everybody. I say, you know, I say, yes, I'm for that. Because when I there around all that, I don't feel that vibe.
Right.
Plus, the man them around there, bad man thing, the boss I deal with them time. Because I remember I have me at work and I'm pay me. You know.
Okay.
Now I'm pay me no money at all. But them time we never need no money still.
Really
I just love music and want to play music. And more time when I play for him, one time I play one dance for him and when I'm done, I say, Zaddy, because them call him, you know, his name Shara, and I say, Shara, then you know, say, I'm ready for cut him. I say, then go on, you wait for him. You go on like, so I say, I'm too money. I say, oh, you should have paid me a little boy, I'm make you pay me son. Now you go on like you're a big man. You should have paid me for play my son. I want to you, boy. So you should do. I saw him deal with it rough, you know. Can't get no money from him, but the next bridge in the day, you see what I go on. And I say, yo, here what I go on. When you play him son, don't ask him nothing. Come check me pay you.
Okay, cool.
So our next bridge named Tony Shaw, big up yourself, used to just always break me off a little thing. So I have to big him up to cause the whole of my 8th grade years, him. Feed them money, them I go to school with a morning time. I not miss no school, I tell the teacher.
Yeah.
So, why time that happened now, I say pieces. So I just ask Corey one day. And I say, yo, you know, say, I go brave up. Because I remember say I pick me in and I like me, I'm not big man.
Right.
But as a little youth, I say, yo, I go brave up, you know, I'm a virgin. Michael Collin and original used to call him Mikey Fox, you know. I know my reason. I said to the man, sir, a pieces more I'm going to go ask if they're working. And he said, boy, pieces now I'm going to hire you. Because them the man, them a big sound thing them a deal with me. I go look at work up around and play a Fox disco. I say, yeah, Fox disco. I say, mad, you think I can play all that sound and then move up? I say, yo, I'm going and check Corey. So I just go to boom and walk. Because Corey live a little bit, not even quarter mile from the walking. I just walk, go down in my yard. And I see him and I say, yo, I want to work on pieces. You know? And he said to me, say, here we do. Come check me up at cricket club. Because pieces I play a cricket club. I talk to Light for you. And I feel so good like I get the work. And I tell you, say, the man say, come in. That's me I tell you, say, teach them to reach. Teach them to reach at the gate. Every time they clear the land going from about 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. But when Corey tell me for forward, I reach at the place, Monty go be a cricket club. And land clear already and security set up out the door. And I said to myself, I walk so powerful go up there that when I reach at the gate and I say, oh yeah. And I say, PC selector, man. I remember I think I get the work, you know. And the man I say, PC selector, yeah, I don't know that man. Someone I say, I don't know him. I say, call one of the men here, call one of the PC youth that can identify the youth here. I remember I say one of the man walk out and say, we don't know him. Never say. So I said, Jono, what kind of big disappointment and big flap this at the gate? Anyway, I stand up there wait and I see the boss drive up. And I see the window winding and I say, hey, come in our car. So when he say come in our car, you know me feel good again because I say, in I know. And drive and go right in front of where Corey live, that's why I pull up and we did the talk. And I say, boy, Corey, tell me say you want to come in for the sound, but here I go on now, my boss. We don't really need no selector right now, I tell you the truth. And kind of comfortable with the team we have. You know what I mean? At the time, the first selector for pieces on him, Turbo, him did Anime out. And Corey second as the general. And pieces book out. So really and truly, him don't know say need Froggy on the sound yet, you know, but you don't know it. He must say, nah man, but if anything go on, I like Corey for fly out and we link you, man. Just go and do the thing, man. Know yourself. He never tell me like out blank. He just I say, hold it. You know, me there with me head hold on and thing as I go walk with and I see Corey. I say, yo, hear me, man. Don't worry about like me pay you, go on and walk.
Oh.
So I suck come now, Corey start pay me. Because I must say, yo, me I go, don't worry yourself, don't listen to light. Me know say me need your help. Come on, go on and walk. So I end up get the work through that. So I go the first, you know what I mean, set a 2 years, so a Corey pay me out of fee money. You know?
So hold it listen now. So you mentioned Turbo and Corey. Who else was around the sun when you start going around?
When me reach, it was Turbo on him way out as a general too. Big up yourself, DJ Nash Lawson Turbo. Yeah, dad. Him on him way out and Corey I go see and one of the next owners them at the time, Andrew Forsyth, he was like a real good selector too.
Okay.
Because when me go there, you know, him one of the man who mix, them man mix clean like the Lakers them too, you know.
Oh, so Striker came, I see you on the
Years
sound.
later, man.
Okay.
94 Striker joined, man. I'm there from 90, man.
90. And how old were you at this time?
14, man.
14.
Yeah, man. I joined pieces, man. 14, man. 14, I just got 9th grade now, man. I'm 14, man.
So what the old man did have to say about all of this?
Here we go on now. And you know, sir, I'm going to tell you the truth. My father, I love him. I love him. You know. He's not father of the year, but I never yet need to find him. I don't know if I find him. But you see, he's a man who have him demons them in the term of women, you know. He's a man who him easily get convinced by a woman. Some more time, them man just disappear, you know. You don't even know him then. And true with them around family. Remember me there around my auntie them who I deal with me like them own son, you know.
Right,
son like me did short, I love, you know.
Right.
They know me not hungry because I'm there with my grandmother there, I'm there with my family them there. It's like a house to house to house. Like my grandmother there, so my auntie and my uncle there, so me right round me up here family. So I try to tell you that sometimes I don't even remember saying he existed to him, because he just disappear. But at first, him is a man who used to just show up and thing and drop off the money until one day him just not show, and then for about 3 years, him just not show. But I know exactly where to find him. So by the time him start hear about a little selector named Froggy, him, they think I want big man, you know. Him don't know say his son, you know. One day I go link him, you know, because I long to see him, and I go link him. And I said, Daddy, where I go? And I said, I'm there, man, how everything? I said, I'm there, and I ask me if I go to school, because I go think I stop, you know. Because him not give me no money for the longest while, and me hear man, him bridging him a reason. I say, yo, you hear the boy up on pieces, the new selector, yo, the man bodies, I say, man, Froggy, man, him terrible. I say, I'm there, and I say, you don't even know say my name, sir. Yeah, man, he give me high praises and things, but you don't know me. He just say, Froggy, terrible. One sound like a rory and the man play a sound. I say, watch him. You know, my father find out, say, me name Froggy boy. One day I beat him, come for beat me, you know. Like him see me on the truck. And I go there and say to himself, where am I the one at the truck? That time I go play at senior school, that is Montego Bay High School now. Fear day, you know, a big thing where all of my young girls them and the whole of the young people them there, and I'm going to get my shine and if I go run the place. You know. When I look at Drake, the man called Drake, I say, him see me pan chuck. What me I do pan chuck, topper? Yo, the amount of man moved to my father, I have to ball out and some man, all the owner and some people around this. I said, no, I work him there, you can't do that. They must say, I pick me, you can't tell me to deal with me. Because him come, a bully thing, he come dealing now, and I must say, no. And I say, Froggy, you know him? I say, I'm a father, man. Froggy. Froggy. So, man, that time I say, wait, are you? So wait there. Where we get this straight? So the Froggy, I wait there, hold on. Come and make a walk. And that time I know him realize that I feel him pick the name Froggy. You know. Remember I read Froggy the selector, I don't know. Yeah, man. What is so bad? What?
Yeah. The name on the birth certificate is Omari Lyons.
Yes.
Froggy. How you get the name?
When I joined Pieces, the technician, a bridge named Spuddy. The man tell me, say, because I look name for me, and I say, I hope say, man, I care about no little idiot name can give me. The man say, yo, I can't name. The name what them call me as, you know, all Jamaicans have pet names, Jermaine.
Oh, Jermaine.
So I say, no, Jermaine not gonna work. You can't come out now, so we need one name. Yo, I soon get a name for you. And then I walk around and then I wind up wire. I turn up there, I said to myself, I hope you don't come back with a full name can give me. Teach them, you know, so the man just come and say, Froggy Rock. Froggy Rock, you name it. You look like the cartoon sitting on him, Froggy Rock. I say, what? I say, no, sir, I don't like that name. Get one different name. Then you know, say Froggy Rock transform into Froggy Rock. To Froggy.
To Froggy.
Yeah, so it's originally Froggy Rock. So it look like the puppet sitting on him, Froggy Rock. So that's how it started from, and through we chat, but you don't know it reached to Froggy Rock.
Yeah.
To Froggy, you know? Yeah.
Your own name sick by your man. The moment just, you know, like it.
Yeah, they know something like.
Well, a man call you and he say, yeah, man, I mean that, man.
It come like, they nobody want to call us again. But the minute, yeah, I'm going to tell you, the man, them, by the time he said to the core, I say, yo, Froggy Rock in here. Yo, nobody call this man, Froggy Rock in. So the man, them just start like a joke. Froggy Rock, yo, Froggy Rock, link up. I said, yo, oh, this man, I don't like that something, man. Get me one different name, man. Can't. Because I say, yo, that name is not going to work. It can't work.
That's why it works.
And it works.
The moment you start saying that like that. You're in and out, big sound. And back then, in Mobile, which were the other big sounds in the space?
All right, well, Mobile have quite a few at the time. Not wholly like Kingston, of course, but you have the Electro Force.
Electro Force.
Was the immediate rival on the other side.
Oh, okay.
So Pieces was like the Stone Love, Electro Force was like the Kilimanjaro.
Oh, okay.
Rubber dub, kind of hardcore kind of vibe. You know what I mean? And then you have the Tika music.
Rest in peace, Father
Tika. I don't know, Father Harold just dropped out a few weeks back. And also we have Rockstar.
Rockstar, yeah?
Yeah, from up in the country, then them forward later. You have a sound in Lexus.
Oh, was like about Lexus.
It's a Lexus sound now, them time the Lexus come give Pieces a little warm time, you know, because them juggle too, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, them juggle. Them juggle and play like Pieces and have the same high tempo dub plate like we, and whole heap of cape and whole heap of everything like we too, and them terrible.
think you had Jack Creation.
No, man, Jack Creation coming in like later
down the
time,
road.
man.
Okay.
Jack Creation just coming on music what they gone last week before last.
And then
yeah,
Crazy Dogs came late
no,
down
man,
to
Crazy
down.
Dog just start build. That kind of Crazy Dog they have one car yet when me attack, and Crazy Dog sound coming a car sound, man.
Okay.
Different thing we attack.
So when Pieces a big sound, a Ticker, Electro Force,
and Rockstar and Lexus.
Okay.
You know what I mean? That's
Side.
after the Kangal them and that's after the African symbols and
right,
thing
and
them.
Kangal.
As them the sound there when they want them and the Ghetto International what set up vibe, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
But in the new generation when we as youths run the place as young people, which me still young by that, but me just say as little youth.
Yeah.
Yeah man, them the sound man. They all not them and them sound, which wasn't, you know what I mean? Musically not upon our level, but
right.
yeah.
So now, little youth, 14-year-old, upon big sound.
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it a situation where immediately when you go around the sound, you got the chance to kind of start playing at the dances or you have to
yeah,
pay
man,
dues?
immediately. When we pay my dues, me wind up the wire them and do the box. Pay my dues. I wind up wire, I lift up box, I do the whole thing, I current mechanic and them things. But here I go on. That not take away from that you have to play the sound. So even though I have to do that, I still come, because I never come in here as no box man.
Yes.
I select and I come in here as.
You remember the first dance you actually play the sound?
Yes, man. Cricket club, man. And the first night was a dance where Carleen them, they keep and Pinky them and thing.
Okay.
Dance our Queen,
yeah, man.
Yeah,
First Carleen and Pinky, I know the
was a dance for them keep and pieces play. Dance about the Ram neither, but I'm first going around the sound and take up on the needle for the turntable and realize that, you know, you're going to reach youth. You're going to run the place. Yeah, you know, they run pieces sound. Remember, say, the first sound, now I go around in a way. The microphone have its own line where it have the own treble and mid and bass and them thing there where you can.
Full EQ.
Yeah, full. Where you can.
Stage.
Audio check. Yo, my sound, them time I'm 14, what me sound like a big man too, you know.
Yeah.
You know, my voice is good from them times as a little youth, you know. Yeah, so.
So when you went around pieces, immediately it was a MC vibration and you did some mixing as well?
No, we're going here. I'm going for do play music because remember Corey was definitely the man.
Okay.
And you just warm up the dance till him reach. All the MC part come in, you know, like maybe like the next day after that. We played on Walter Fletcher's beach. That's a beach party and so, me hear the engineer youth. I say, yo, somebody come check the mic. Call like him a call one another youth and him call like him. I say, Carl, come check the mic. And at the time, you know, Carl is a man around the sun, I'm one of the maintenance, one of the general them. Once you get higher, I'm dealing like a grub, you know, you have to go through the whole process, you know. Man, you just reach, go on somewhere, you just so I said, listen man, you don't say no, you select, make him check the mic. So then pass the microphone, give me, and I go, audio check, and I see everybody on the beach, like, then go, so, yeah, who that? Man, the son. From that, yeah man, I know, say, the man say, yeah man, you man, you have to start talking on the microphone too. So automatically within the first 2 days.
Yes.
Yeah, because a business me mean once we have pieces, you know.
Which was the first big dance where you can remember, you know, where you say, yes, you start, stamp your name in the streets a man to go be upon pieces?
And all right, to tell you the honest truth, from day one, because teach them, we are talking about leaving from a sound that plays once every 3 months, maybe once every 4 months, you know what I mean? To pieces that play every night.
Every night?
Every single night. When we reach our pieces, every single night. From Monday right back to Monday. So what go on now? Within a couple of days, the things start circle. Because here pieces, when you reach any venue where we go, if we come right as a come play, string up 4 o'clock, me have to start play from 4 till maybe 10 or 11 when Corey comes. So remember that the whole span of time there, I play soul music, retro music, every kind of music, hip-hop music, disco music. So people are say, yo, that little boy, that the man body, man. So I build my name from Evelyn. So within no time at all, the man start say, yo, and the boss start give me a thing name. I don't need to give him peace at the late night, you know, because I tell him terrible.
Oh, okay.
So in a known time, believe me, like within maybe like a week or 2 weeks, people start talk. So I didn't really have to wait for a specific event to make my name. Due to pieces I play every week, every night of the week. So if you come and you see me out at the beach, or you see me out at gun, or you see me anywhere, from pieces on string up, and them time they were talking about 19. So the place ran from all 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You know.
Till
so
land
all work
clear.
till land clear and then everybody come back. So no for the dance that my PC used to play was street dance. So then land and clear, we talk about CLM on the street, this a place up on the street, Glendevan on the road. So once you start play, you already have an audience already. So my name start get a little buzz early.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which dance though is the first dance where you know you go home and say then, yeah man, I eat this and now we do it tonight, man. Then can't stop me again.
Well, here we go when I know say. When I know say the boss can't fire me again. First time them fly out now and gone. Cause you know I fly out going, you know.
Yeah.
Them time the pieces don't even have the luxury if you have 2 sets of record and 2 sets of everything, you know. So you know Corey them bring like the better set. The newer set of everything and the newer set of 45s and left us with a list. Say, all right, we're going to play tonight. Go down to the studio and recut some dub and buy some song. But remember, I play like 2 parties before I actually get to go to the studio. Go recut.
Okay.
Teach them. I tell you, man, them old song never pieces left. I tell them, I play a Glendevan at the Thursday night, man. The amount of gunshot fire, man. When me left and go, man, all my muscle them get bigger, man. Maybe when I feel like mighty full like me, I say, them can't tell me nothing. Next night, tier 1, do what I do. Saturday night, must be Granville, shake up the place. By the time the boss come in back Monday, man, they tell me I play Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you know. Take Friday out, you know. You see, when he see me Monday, when he come, I dance. All when I see him, all me I walk different and him I walk different, you know. Because him I come from foreign and me I say, I bust my boss, you know, when I can't tell me nothing. And he walk up to me and he say, boy, Froggy, everybody I tell me how you deal with the place. Although I don't hear no cassette still or nothing, but when them say, you hold a one, I'll spot them and tell me, say, boy, them I forgot, allow you make you do the thing, because they shake up the place over the weekend and give them a different kind of juggling. Because remember now, I'm alone, I don't have no core for weight pan for, I don't have no limit pan what I can do.
Right.
Remember nobody can tell me nothing because the boss gone a foreign and select either. So you know, for me time, yo, I shake a place, teach them. Whole weekend. By the time I reach back, I'm here the man.
And you say the son play every night of the week and you play every night
every night
and go to school every morning.
But the fortunate to have a lot of girls, sisters, friends.
Nice thing.
As whole heap of them, I don't tell no lie, them check for me because here I go on. So when I end up in the first time when I actually get into anchovy school, them put me in a grade where I know enough for my class. Because when I go in there, I say, too much boy pick me. I say, so much money in this class. Yeah. I'm 4 girls and then hear them picky and something like, I mean, them I say them come from up at the home, you know. A little home.
Girls home.
Girls home and boys home up the street. So I say, enough for my class this. But anyway, the principal said, you do good on the entry test. Because I never get, the way, all right, teach them. Then you know, so I never do want to pass no common entrance and them thing there. Because I want to go to senior school, you know. Because the whole of my family, my aunts, my uncle, everybody, all of them are senior school and go. Me growing up, all me hear about all my life is, oh, Mr. Parker, Mr. this, Mr. Last, Mr. Every teacher name I know up there, I never go up there. I know every teacher, I know principal, I know everybody by name. But I never see these people yet. But through the stories where everybody come home and talk. So me just want to go to the school with them go, because they make it sound so nice. Then when I go to common entrance or senior school, the actual exam go on.
Okay.
So I go up there and I tell you, so I walk in high school, man, I just look around and say, watch my school, man. This is a school I want to go.
Yeah.
Because I hear some of my family go. And one day there, I do the first mental ability something. Ray, fishes to waters, birds to sky, and ray, one bag of foolishness. And I say, I just do so. I just full of, come here, I say, I feel it do it. So I just full everything in the middle, go right down like C, right? Come here, man, I don't want to pass, you know. Senior school, I want to go, you know, if I pass, we go to senior school. My family, them good with the principal and good with the vice principal and everybody. All of my family are past students. My auntie them just like care me go put me in a senior school. And then you know when I'm maths time I'm going go do the maths part and same thing, down the middle. All the girls me and I end up in the same class at job school, sit down beside me, you know, because me and I have the same last name, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Girl named Nicole Lorenz, and she said, you do this something good, and I said, no man, I'm good, I'm in school, man. I don't want to go no pass now. I go outside, I say I take a 5. And they just lean up on the wall, because I remember I done fast enough to come out. So when I lean up on the wall, a teacher pass, thinking say I am student there. So he said, you, what you doing out here? You get off the corridors, man, get in the class. And some other youths sit down on the wall and I say, you guys, get off the wall, man, come off the wall and get into class. Before me could have said to him, say, exam me that take, me and my boy, and I say, more finance, I want it. How that teacher boy, I lick man for licking your face. And I say, wait there. Maybe that school I know what I want to go, because I don't understand how them when you talk to the teacher, them so rough.
Yeah.
Man, I tell man about them mother, I say, you know, say, how this? At the same time, my daddy and the teacher say, you see you guys, don't worry yourself, man. What you're working for, coming to you and walk away, left them. And when I walk with them, I see the boy go, sir, and hold on for my pocket. Say, yo, what you have in your pocket? I say, I rob the money, man, rob me Pastina school. Then you know the teacher, when the man want to try to rob me Pastina school, me I said, no, sir, me no want to come on this school here. My mind changed immediately, so you know, I go in for the English. I mean, if me not lie, I'm supposed to get 100% for the English.
Yeah.
That's me, I said to me, say, when I go to the lady, I said, I couldn't get for the paper. She said, no, you gone, it's you're done and you submitted in the file, we can't take it back. What happened? I said, I feel like I make some mistakes. She said, well, you have to face the consequences. I go to my principal. At the time, I said, you can't talk to them, like the ministry, I make them know. I said, no, what happened? What happened? I remember I said, then sure, so I'm passing. I said, I tell you, when they come in the paper and that team look, I know, so I mess up, you know. And then I said, look like you go to senior school. I said, no, I'm not going to senior school. The man try to rob me the first time. I never up there yet. Then no, and me I'm not a bad man, you know, so I know say it's not going to work for me up at that place there. So I come now, them carry me go and Chovy school, go put me in. Okay. So when I do the entry test, the woman I said I do so good, but all the classes are already full up, so them have a thing I come up 2 weeks from now, name like a test where them shuffle up and everybody go where them supposed to. First grade where them put me in, I was a grade where I don't belong.
Yeah.
But as I do the test, I tell them I never focus up on an exam yet in a history. I focus so much that I'm supposed to get 100 out of 100 in every single category. And I tell you, teach them, all I know, them put me in a class. You know, if I hear a movie when I walk in somewhere different, I go, like, yeah. That's how I feel like I go, yo, the atmosphere nice, me I smell perfume, me I smell everything.
Place.
My place. One whole heap of woman up front, and I look, I see about 5 boys picking running in the back. I say, what you have for me?
Yeah, they're warm, man.
So them girls, you know, used to help me with my homework.
Nice.
You know what I mean? Them know me select at night time. So more time I say, Omar, you do the maths test? You do the maths homework? Give me a book. But remember, you know, them only do it for me, I take my own test.
Right.
So all the tests them, me do them. And I pass them because sometimes all when I'm in class I buck. I hear what I go on, you know. I tell you enough time I go to school and I buck and then give me all the duster. One in my chest, because you don't know a teacher, they have them work them time. Would I call it abuse, I know, but them time they're just rough. I just say it, I forgot.
Rough, yeah.
Get up, man, you sleep here. I will tell you to go last time. I said, teach, God no, my bad, sorry. You know, but me's never back at the class, you know. I always one day close, because I want to hear, you know.
Yeah, man. So I have spoken to some of the greatest selectors that ever play music anywhere in the world. And practically everybody we talk about have some form of interaction with pieces.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Corey, Froggy, Striker.
Yes, sir.
The circle there. See? You guys would have clashed every big sound.
Every single
them
one.
time there.
Except
no matter
Silver
what
Arc,
there.
every
Except
single.
Silver Arc.
Yes.
Zine, which was the first giant your clash?
My first clash running in maybe like 2-3 weeks in to pieces. Maybe more than that, maybe about a month or so. Was Kilimanjaro. Like right after that, me and Chupa.
Yeah,
right
Chupa.
away. And from that day,
where was the dance?
In Mobile. From that day, we never have a good civil meeting.
Never.
I tell you, me and Chupa, never. Nothing about we meeting, never civil and up.
Well, so like
always
Chupa
emotional.
So.
No, man, him kill me, I kill him too, man.
So you don't mean the first dance you talk about?
Yes,
man.
him would get the better of me the first time around. Because, you know, I'm going to play a thing on him. At time Ghana just release a thing on him. Nothing can divide us, and pieces to get the dub, and our things say, no sound can defeat us. And you know, say Jaro have a thing on him. Jaro can defeat you. So you know, say him shake me up. And counteract my thing. You know what I mean? The way how that one did kind of hurtful because it's like, in at the time, Corey them that tell me like, calm down, you. Calm down. That's easy. We have this. And me I tell him like, nah, man, know yourself, man. I deal with him, man. Deal with. So you know, when we run up on the big sound and them man will slap you in your chest like, little boy, go back down. So one of them kind of get back in your corner kind of vibes. But you know, it was a learning experience, so take it what it is. But Chupa did do that time.
And then there would have been many other meetings between
Yes,
Jara and Pieces on the road.
Holy.
We never clash them at town side or as always?
No, you know, say Jara is a sound and a two clash at town. Jara are the first town country sound, you know.
Town country sound.
Listen, man, we and Jara play more than 50 times and 50 of them are countryside. I mean Moby. I think we and them clash maybe once or twice at Moby.
Yeah. Who you then clash more, Chupa or Freddy?
Chupa. Yeah. And Chupa clash way more.
Okay.
I think we and Freddy do must say once or twice.
Once or twice.
Yeah, twice.
Yeah. And out of the Jara clashes, who have the upper hand overall?
I think it can. Listen, me, as me I tell you, every selector try to make for them sideline, to make for them thing look good. But me can tell you, say, Chupa beat we and we beat him too. Jara beat we beat him too. You know what I mean? It's a situation where so much so that's why the booking, the meeting, the whole we versus them was such a nice thing for enough promoters. Because you come tonight, it can be whichever way. Yeah, so, all right, I could go to St. Elizabeth and see how you do it. So I could go to Westmoreland and see how it works. We'll play a Negril, we'll play all bout we anymore.
So I go through some sounds now.
Yeah.
And if you can remember a clash particular will stand out in your mind. Because I know your name sound a clash. Yeah. The all come them, I'm not sure now.
Right.
Black Cat.
Million times.
Yeah,
we beat Panther more than we beat.
Oh, we beat Black Cat more than
Black Cat beat. Like me, some of the dancers when I kill Black Cat, you know. And some of the dancers when I can tell you, I never kill no sound like how I kill Black Cat. You know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But also I can tell you, Panther beat Pieces too.
Yes.
Not kill Pieces, but beat Pieces.
Yeah.
But we kill Black. Like I kill Black Cat one night of a sparring that I lock them off. Then we get bored after we had by ourselves. I say, people always saying for turn on back, 2 and a and then turn on back. And we lock him off again. And then turn him on and we play dub for dub and kill him. I never do that again. I something I would have loved to tell us I do again after that. But one time I never do that and a Black Cat me do that with. I talk about me and Corey and Strike and we did and we beat living daylight all the time. So much so that when the dance done in stand up in front of sound box like the stand up. I remember I said them time when I say lock off, and I like, no, me someone I say, you win 3 rounds, so it automatically is a lock off. I mean like, turn off the sound, lock off the sound, turn off all the light where you put on the turntable, turn off everything there. And we just play and then we say, turn on back. And the man turn off. I'll maybe not turn on back my sound. But turn on. Because you know, one thing I can tell you about him, he's a sportsman when he comes
on. He is that but me not turn on back my sound.
Not turn on back my sound. If I lock off, chuck off, pull up on them things, I'm gone, because I don't want to hear the rest of it.
Yeah, the two Exodus Nuclear and Exodus 4x4.
Yeah, well, we are Exodus Nuclear. We never really have an all-out clash. We did Cricket Club one night. It was a clash where Silver was supposed to come, and that turned out to be not even a all-out clash, more like a music vibe.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? And we had them play upon a couple more events, which was mainly juggling. And I got to tell you something. Exodus Nuclear, as bad as them be, Pieces was a terrible sound, you know. They couldn't wear me, man. No matter who they from Exodus. I mean, I talk about from Juxkill and Meng them and Shabba them and all that. Yeah, man, they couldn't. But 4x4, we and 4x4 had a lot of emotional. The one sound I can tell you, say, kill me, make me. It's 4x4 Exodus. I tell you, say, then give me a beat and teach them.
Oh, yeah?
That beat there until today, I still I carry somebody wheel them from my back off of that beat there.
Where was the dance?
Black River. The man them beat the living daylight out of me. Beat me so till all the boss look at me and say, boy, Froggy, I'm not going to lie to you, boy. That's not fair night tonight, yeah, man. That's how it go, man. You know, man, gimmicks, you.
Right.
But since you say you're in one state, you know, you can't take the gimmicks in your thing, yeah. That's how it go, my boy.
So what did you do that night that someone threw you out so far?
Here we go now. A week before, or maybe 3 weeks before. This was 1994 now, you know. Striker just come in on the sound now. So Striker come in on the sound as a youth in my age group now. You know, me and him start park, because him far out now in a age group. Because I remember Corey, them a bigger man for you and thing. So me I say, all right, just I'll meet all my wife and thing, you know. Them time they, you know, teach, 94, you know. So, you know, new love and the fresh in I thing. And but then beside me and decide, say, you know, I'm not going to work tonight. Because I tell you, say, cuddle up, go on and people foot tie up together. I say, I'm not left.
Nah, go nowhere.
Nah, move. Pieces I play a Stone Hill. pieces, and 4x4. For one, it was not a clash.
Okay.
So in my head, I say, I'm going to man striker, just all the striker for that just all in one and juggle pieces. So we have the song and we have everything.
Yeah.
So striker went by himself. Me say turn out in a clash and me say striker shake them up. But teach them. When me reach a dance the next night, me say, oh, you did that? We don't see you. Striker deal with the man them wicked. I mean, the man them say, yo, striker deal. Yo, man, striker play some song. So to the rave I go and feel me, I say, okay. Easy pickings, man. From striker can't kill them and just reach one pieces. Normal thing. Remember, I play against 4x4 so much time before that, you know. And them never get the better weight, you know, them time there, you know. So it's now that everything good and this was when the bond did it. This is none other than, this is when, you know, the heat of that. So of course, voicing start going wagga and yes, the 4x4 full of song now and everything. So you know what, we don't care. Striker just go beat you at Stone Hill what they gone. A normal thing, man. I've been named Froggy now. Where you have to teach them? You can't come bad me up. So you know, so I'm going to dance and walk with all one different kind of walking. Because I tell you, my walk go in, man. Remember, my little printer was just coming from the sound last 2 weeks ago. Shake you up, and you don't even know the box yet. The one I got to do to you, oh, know the box. I might know box. They're dead. They don't know so I got the dog. A boy one name Gangster. And enough people don't remember say Gangster one of the selector, them are bad select. Hey, Gangster beat the living daylight out of me. And the man them get on my skin by telling me, people, I know him are the real selector. Right, see the real selector. Give the real selector the mic. Teach them. You know that I annoy me now. So true that he come like, me can't find a farm. The man I say, and the boy Gangster left and pay. Listen, youth, don't embarrass the man, son. Give the selector them. You are not the real selector. You can't be a real selector. Remember, say the man them know me. Right. Me I tell you about some Gangster them know say I'm in Froggy, but sorry, the man them I say, give the real selector, Mike. Then teach them, you know that. We can't get a teacher, I can't get not even a whistle, not even a lighter. And in this time, lighter the artist thing. And when I say, all the way just over there, put up your lighter. Nobody now move.
Lighter them cool.
Then I know what say. Striker said to me, sir,
give me
I want to, Froggy, give me my. Call them boy, I go on like them, don't know, say, yeah, the man around there. Give me my, I make a speech. I'm reluctantly, you know, I go, sir. I tell you, sir, teach them, I don't know what, I can't tell you what the man said on the mic. And the biggest forward, the whole place turned over here, you know. Just step on the mic, come here and say, yo, then what you do what me can do? Come here and say to myself, I know me a bad selector for him, because I'm new on the sound. Right. Me there a long time, and my son, this is how I'm going to do it. Me get boo, me get beat, me get boo, me get beat, me get... Some people are out the door and some house tap and some chuck tap out of, you know, country dance and a normal thing. The man beat me to death, and I saw him on the dance named Dan Pelico too, you know. I said, them gang up on me down a Black River on the wharf. I say, I shame like a dog, like I tell you, when the dance done, I no want left. And when the sun pack up, I still up on the trailer top, like I said, on the truck. I said, what am I go wrong? And the one... Pieces one of them now, you know, remember say a big gimmicks now, you know, because I remember you just get a beat in your life, you know. And I know, little wicked kill your puncher, you know, remember gangster killing, you know. And I tell you, gangster beat me so bad, me say up to today. It traumatized me. No, my son can't beat me, so I tell you. So that dance, me can't say 4x4 beat the living hell out. And I don't even know if they kill pieces, but then kill me.
You.
Man, beat me from that.
Dan Pelico, that is the song that Jerms used to play.
Yes, Dan Pelico, them down there. And I tell you, say, all them, two the man them go say, because the man them a gang up to, you know. The man them give a thing name. All who say, pieces for lock off and make me a four. The man them a lead. Yo, the man them beat. You know, we hold them one by one. I hold Dan Pelico down a film one land, man. I'm in one place, man, run a one part, man. Treasure Beach, man. Because them time, you know, remember some... Teach them, remember, say the man beat me, and say, you know, so I can't sleep for about 3 months. Then when I look, I see one post that I say, put up on some light post down at Mobile, Fletcher's Beach, pieces versus 4x4. I say, when I look, I hear the boss call me and say, you know, when Dan Pelico have a thing, and I say, look how everything I fall back into place. I have to go prove back myself. Yo, I say, I beat Dan Pelico, like, I beat them so bad, so till the owner, man, it was like, I don't know if he was Jamaican. I don't think he's Jamaican because he have a little accent. I said, boy, I've never seen this before. I saw that come into my lawn and beat myself. Because I tell you, them time, I have a thing name. Big up all who, you know, I just come from foreign and time I never know where airport there, but you don't know the thing going on, you have to do that something there. Yeah. So, you know, I go in and I see the man just up in a Timberland boat and I say, hey, boy, You know, see them, I see that a foreigner selling at a dollar store. You have to tell him once, so sit, guy, remember, I'm happy with him.
Right.
So I beat him, and then we hold 4x4 down there. When you hear someone say, Father does, used to deal with them wicked, and that night, me see with my 2 eyes, where Father does look like a fight. He go fight like a wicked him. Yeah, man, I see the man serious stage. And I said, what to me? We're up on a little trailer setting and little wicked and punch them up there. Then I tell you, remember I said, me have to tell everybody now, you know. Because at that time, we did hire, in the time where pieces bring in striker, when striker come get the work, we hire Skinny from Base Odyssey.
Oh!
So Skinny used to work on pieces sound for about...
That I never know.
Yeah, man, Skinny worked on sound for about a year, man. Year and a little bit, man.
Cool, man.
Because at the time, I don't know if I fire them, they fire him or what, but he end up and I work on our sound. So me and Skinny and Striker go over there, and I tell you, so the way how they beat them from 3 months ago, this is so fresh in my memory. Me I tell them, say, listen, remember me, I have to do that killing tonight. Right. No man never can crowd out me thing, you know. Because remember, if me not get that, me not going to stop get that gimmicks here. I remember saying, you know, Soundman mustering, me can't go on the dance. I go so, make Froggy go on, because if me not call gangster for you and beat it, so the man don't want to use it.
Yeah.
So it's like, yeah, man, I hold him and beat him up, man.
So a gangster was playing the sound tonight?
Yeah, man, little wicked and punch. I guess them get the same.
team.
Yes, I guess them feel the same way. Like if gangster can kill him, them can kill me too. So you know, but yeah, me get my revenge, man. But yeah, 4x4 Exodus was one of them songs. We play with them enough times.
Yeah.
Enough times.
Me enough man talk about that something they say, oh, our next man kill our next man so me can kill. When Freddie killed Turbo Fan, you know, that trooper say, oh, Freddie kill them, man.
That's a regular thing because, of course, egos and things.
Right,
yeah, right. All right, watch out. Watch out now. Turbophonic. Because I said Turbophonic, I have to mention.
Bad sound.
Bad sound from in the West. Big up Winterfresh, big up Fat Cat, them and Ray, them and the whole of them and them used to run the sound. I watch your program and I hear him talk, you know. Or him kill pieces twice. But I don't know if I even said twice. But anyway, me hear him saying kill pieces, which he actually win a dance with. The second one. The first one, I lock him off. But here we go on.
In a Fidem land?
Yeah, in a Fidem land. In a Fidem land. Lock off early, reach back and mobile. Reach back so early that we go downtown, we watch all the Christmas tree, I get light and them things.
Oh, it was
in another time where the Christmas tree I put up and the whole thing. Beat them early and left. And I tell the boss, you know, I say, lied. Because him never come at the dance. Because when we get season now, the boss stop come at the dance.
Understandable.
Because now him get people for deal with road managers, people who have carry go at dance.
I know the selectors them capable.
Yeah, man, we capable, man. Because when we just go on the sound, him had the selector, you know, the boss. You know?
Okay.
Anyway, we go some man, reach I dance, do what we do. When we reach back, we call him. I say, yo, Froggy, how it go? Easy kill, man. How you stop my boss, man? Easy kill, man. How you talk about? Dust them out and lock them off and left. The youth will do the early one I play, man. We gone, man. Lock off, Turbophonic sound, lock.
Right.
Remember, it's so vivid. Them have a little, let me depend on a little veranda setting, a little, for feed them sound there, and them put some little light over there, some little pepper light. And I say, when come like a bag of go-go and some little, when we deal with them wicked and Winterfresh, them dead and all that, man. And I realize now that, in hindsight, I look back down, I can see, say, them use it as a learning experience, you know. Because when I left, I can see the whole of them and them sit down and I say, okay, this we have to do. All right. You know, we drive out, man, call them time, we saw hype and boss, so we jump in a car, drive off, gone. I tell the boss, when I tell him, say, we beat them, I say, Lord, I want to go and soap, man. I want to take no more date with them and them little sound, man. I talk to them, I think too bigger than that, my sound, man. Little sound. Because all the sound not even sound good. For them sound not even build no kind of way. 2 columns I go down and go see and never even much. I tell you the truth, teach them. Right. This by about January morning, posters me see.
Early.
Pieces versus Turbophonic in a match. I said, like, we just play them on in December. How we went up and play them again in a match? Boy, Froggy, man, they make me half and I couldn't refuse. Fat Cat make light on big half for them time, them the money they never heard of in a sound clash. Like, take the dance. But anyway, I said, sure.
Kill them already.
I said to Striker, them time, I said, Striker, I can't go around with them. Baby bug them, man. Anyway, Joyride come out and now say, Joyride ready to run the place. We go to studio, we voice everything from the Joyride. We voice everything from the Joyride, from the Joworks ready. Watch out now.
Okay, cool.
I tell them, reach back and mobile, be a change ready, gone at Westmoreland, gone at dance. There's a plane on a Savlamar. I have a little stack of dub plate about this stick. I walk in, because I remember a top selector, you know, I think normal, a big sound me I play. I don't know if the man them have aspired this through that, but I say, teach them, we reach at the gate. And the security said, like I said, let your pieces them. By the time I walk in, they come like someone say, then there, teach them. Every dub when I walk in with them, man, they start play them so.
Lick them boy.
I remember I said, me and my virgin in the car, you know, we and striker drive go down there, and all me and the man talk about is, them can't pass that juggling that tonight. You see them what we are going with, this are them dead. When we play a segment that they have to lock off. Teach them when they walk in and dance, and you never play them. Have you ever stopped to think of make a song? Everything when we are coming down there, one of them beat up. Because, you know, me I look left and right, and I say, so them playing so early. Watch me now. When me looking at one corner, I see Leroy Hansman.
Oh,
so me I say, well, Leroy Hansman I do down here. Anyway, now that me I look, me know everything's set up for we dead, you know, me not know, you know. But you know, me reach here and start, can't get no forward, the people them turn up one way. Anyway, we start get told some little forward, scatter here and there. Me I try out my best, me I do everything, because you know the craft. Any man want to put out through your arms, I know say me I do everything for getting in the here. I start get too little forward. When I play the second round, I realize that, you know, it's going to be a long night. Me and striker decide, say, you know what, if the dancer, now I'm going to go for we, we're going to mash up a dancer, you know. Because for we style that, you don't teach them. When we go on a dance and we are losing, if we are going to lose a dance and we mash up in and we tell you, broke all fight and them thing there, you know. Lick off and niggle off a turntable and them thing there. Yeah, man, I mash up the dance, man. And,
I love that style.
Just, no, we don't love it, but I saw it go. Just a craft. Remember, we are fight against the wind now, you know, so you don't know. But anyway, me I said to him, say, and we have some maintenance to it, I love the foolishness to, you know. So you see right away when them see say, it's an uphill climb, you have one of them just come and go, where you want to do? Me I said, John, we come like. So I said, I'm going to try the next thing. All who say tune for tune, you know, I say, what? You play your hour? We don't play no tune for tune. Everything we try. All who say bunty for bunty, we don't want to play no bunty for bunty. Yeah. Everything we try, we don't get no response. So we go over there now, so we are going to see if we can start up something for mash up the dance. And the boy Winterfell go, people, lucky gate, lucky gate. Them are trying to mash up the dance. Me know no style, boy. Lucky gate, and I say some man from Westmoreland, some man just say, oh no, I have to play tonight, and I can't come out. I saw the man beat me up in the dark. And you know, I don't take no accountability. Say, I will go down there. You know, say, I go down there. I don't want to like cast this man, you know, because he never fit take a dance. He never fit take a dance. So I say, yo, man, him. But yeah, man, that dance that him did. But me him skip over the first one like a one time we play enough people kind of. No, when you get a beating still you 10, I just me remember my beating.
But you know, to be fair to Winterfresh, I think Winterfresh is one of the selectors me interview where really and truly accept when him dead, say him dead. So, no?
Oh, well,
based on my experience.
Winter, I give the benefit of the doubt. That one I skip your memory. But yeah, man, at twice we are
At twice. Yeah, and a 1-1.
1-1.
1-1.
1-1 the series.
Yeah. Bodyguard.
Bodyguard was like a brother son to pieces.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the two bosses are two great brethren. So most time Courtney them and lie them when they link up and then give a thing name. We and them used to play and everything was peaceful for years, you know, until links go up and you know, so we have bodyguard. We have bodyguard that live a peaceful life. You know, come like when Metro stole up play. So pieces and bodyguard appear as we enter and as we move and 2 to go and 3 to go. So we're good to go and Tony them and Johnny them. You see one links, the first night I see links, the first night when bodyguard war, like a pal out, big war, you know.
Yeah.
For one of the weirdest stage ever, and this is Reggae Sumfest, one of the first stagings, you know.
Links a war bodyguard, you know. Links come out a war.
You know, so we did there play good. We did there play, yeah, Radigan did the dance.
Oh, Radigan was here as well.
So we did there play nice. Don't worry about that thing and one love, one heart, and no, and red wine. We have played the whole of the nice little song them for tourists them. And I say, 2 to go before bodyguard, they don't know pieces and bodyguard, they know it go, we don't know, say, we are like brothers and Ray, and this are the ultimate, big up father Radigan and Ray. How bodyguard, what do you want to say, star? Yeah, at first me here, because all my friend, because how kind of man is? The man just put it and turn up there, and I say, Johnny, that I say, when I say Johnny now, I say, Johnny, I want to go and understand him. I can't tell him what he said. I say, what I want to say. I say, oh, lose your sound for dead. I say, wait. Right, that's now me I said, no, this not look good. Some fest, the stage not fit
And
your
the
cage.
right stage,
Me I look for Big Mac, me I look for everybody, me I look round, me I say, what I go on, man, I say, if I come down, I say, yo, you can't do what I want to do, me man, I select on the defend, and I say, what I'm do. But me I say, like tell me say no clash at some fest, like never tell me say no clash. This is a reggae some fest. We know at the time, no sound clash to go on at some fest. Like now them have clash,
right.
them time that no clash to go on. So the man start the war, me I tell you that, we have to end up defend ourselves, and I tell you, say them writing at the paper the morning after. Said it was a disgrace to the Sumfest brand.
Oh, yeah.
It was the worst thing. Pieces and bodyguard is a disgrace. Because I tell you, so we're going with some sitting after hours. The poor tourists, them mouth wide open. What's going on here? We just hear pure gibberish. And I go back and forth and I tell you. I tell him, I said, Johnny, how are you going? Johnny Depan, talk to him, see me. I said, wait. That boy, I don't like him.
Who win the clash?
It was a thing where I can't even tell us a winner did declare. Because we ended up defending ourselves. Bodyguard shoot. Him probably get a couple connect before me even come to the realization say we had to defend the city. Because me now I look for say what tomorrow is going to be. I mean I want to like lose the relationship with the Sumfest people and Johnny Guzang them and the whole man them and Russell own Pier 1 and we play a Pier 1 every Friday night. So it's like a whole heap of thing I take in consideration. But it reached to the point where Corey said to me, dog, we have to.
Defend
we can't make bodyguard just come bad way come in and know that boy, I can't remember we don't know links for them. The man just come and rush with. That's how we have to end up defending ourselves and them tell you say it's a disgrace. But after that now, everywhere we book, man, in a peaceful.
Okay.
But before that, we go in.
So your links go at it after that many times?
All the time. All the time for bodyguard. The last time when I sure of was I think in a Maypen. Silver Cat did keep a dance with bodyguard pieces and Jaro. But we now want to clear. I mean, if you ask Christ, you can ask Chupa about it and then you talk to him. Because the dancer I go is like the two men them go to teach other. I mean, I say, watch them two men they fight and like me not there. You know the man them know what kind of beef they have them time.
The two men they fight like me not there.
Watch me. Me there right in the middle. Pieces sound string up in the middle. Jaro over there and bodyguard over there. And the man them shoot around me. Like them say, Froggy, move there. Froggy, watch it. Don't mess with it. Why don't shoot me? All right, watch me. I just work with people. Them. And when they realize what I go on, you're the one dirty choper. I'm a virgin, you know. So wait, you don't really like big pieces go with that one. Pieces, you go like your brother and Nancy. You're not involved in a clash with me. I say, but the 2 hour war against one another and left the people them turn up and look, what you want me to do? So we just take it and go and back and move with it, you know.
Mad.
Yeah, but we have bodyguard end up that. And we are them still good to this day, but end up from them time in a links time, it never peaceful in another time. They get rowdy after all the
But the peaceful with links, brother.
Yeah, man, links
and Trooper, there's no peace.
You hear what I say? Never have a peaceful plane me and Trooper. No care who. Terrible.
In a city.
Yeah, man, we have some great dancers in a city.
Mark Jagan was there.
Yeah, Mark them and Danny them, man. Same way, man. We all out. We and them never really have no all-out war, per se. Because in them time, the all-out war wasn't even a thing. I tell you the truth. But in a city, the bad still. And we and them play for enough dance.
Gemini.
That's it, them same way.
Same vibration.
Yeah, Glamour way them and Welton them. Man. We play for enough with them.
Stone Love.
Stone Love, we and Stone Love play.
Sorry.
We and Stone Love play a lot. A lot. No for them wasn't no clash business, because we never really clash. The one time, the boss for Pieces keep a thing in Montego Bay. I think this was not the 90s, maybe 94, 93, in them time. It was when Chiquitita come out, in them time. So I don't know which year that. And it was based on this Pieces and Stone Love, and we lock off our son and make based on this kill Stone Love, and from that is like the Father Paul never too like we after that too much. Because them say light set him up.
Oh, okay.
Them say Pieces set him up like base of this them. And at that time, base of this them use a Bunny General and counter a Chiquitita said Chiquitita. That dance there, yeah, with that first play. Because I guess before that, Stone Love would beat up them at Spanish Town or somewhere in Kingston. And that was the night where them get them revenge. And them say, because my boy step on the mic, Lenny them, Pieces, we have one brother, we play all the while, because them time we have base of this play every week.
Okay.
Just lock off, make we deal with Stone Love. We have a matter for circle. And guess how we do? We lock off. Father Paul makes like a bull. I don't think he ever forgive me for that, man.
Oh, okay.
To this day. But we ain't good.
Chulup tell me what you're saying right here for one part.
Yo, Chulups are one of the worst liars. Remember, look, which camera am I looking?
Any one of them, but that one.
Chulups. Jesus Christ. But man can lie, someone. I know, I do the interview with Chulups, and I tell you, say, it captivated me at first, because I did listen to one journey. And me hear the man mention, me hear you say you never run up into pieces. And the man say, yeah, man, I'm going to them city, man, go run them out a song and let them have. Which city? Which song? Which sound? Which dance? Because that dance was held in 1993, and I turn up around the sound with the microphone in a female. So me can talk without no apology. That first thing, that did not happen. Because it wasn't even a clash, it was like a juggling. It was as we enter, as we move night, and you play and me play and we play and we play. It was like party vibe.
Okay.
To hear him saying run pieces out of tune, he make me have to go and call him out and make him know say, go back for Jam Rock song them and me have pieces song them. I could do it, make the world see again. See that you run me out of song, remember I'm media place, so I talk for myself in a t-shirt.
Right.
I could do it again, man. Get Jam Rock dub them man and I could do it again. I
Yeah,
can't do it all
man.
a rubber dub. I can't do it anywhere. Yeah, man, I beat you up, man, and thump up and make you hear them fat and swell up, man. You don't know nothing about that stuff, man. Jam Rock and a war sound, my lad. Pieces of war among them time, you know.
But Jam Rock was involved in many
No,
clashes.
involving them dead in many clashes. Dead in a many clash don't mean like you a clash sound, you know. It just mean like, okay.
Although there was primarily a juggling sound where
Yes,
where
man,
defend
Jam Rock,
themselves.
they can't, a lady sang them something, Jam Rock, them bringing their music and bust, you know. If the man left and stab out my meat and something, a different thing, you know. Remember I said when pieces that play some real bombs, you know.
Yeah.
Pieces sound and a clapper sound where you can show it and it bust out, there's no bad move, you know. When I drop song, you know, play shake, you know, teach them. Yeah, man, a different thing, I think them, man. So for hear him I talk them something, man,
Yeah.
I said, Chulups, I want to see if I bust off here with some song. Get Jam Rock sound together. And get the dub them and clean them off and print them. I thought about you run out pieces of that song with your line self. I want to
So
tell you.
how much you play Jam Rock?
One time when Jam Rock ever play and the man said, run me out of song. Remember me, I watch the interview and when I reach a song, I don't even know what the rest of it say. If you're willing to talk to teach them, I call him immediately. Because I said, no, I reach out past every number I have. I said, no, teach, how this? How can I like this? But anyway, I know I just say you want to look good by your part, and the music and thing.
Yeah,
but you don't know disrespect, you know I'm done and the music and thing. But would I love to see it? But I love you to do it like Jamaica sick. We never have no documentation other one there. So we can document it now. Me have pieces sound and you have Jam Rock sound. Let's do it.
Me come video, man.
Yeah, man, teach them with video. Yeah, man, I'm deal with them, man. I can deal with the rough, man.
Yeah, man, that's a simple thing, man. You mentioned bass of this year, though. Big, bad
bass of this year.
Bass of this year from way out in the country.
Way out in the country.
Yeah.
First and foremost, big up the whole bass of this crew, because you know our people, them. The whole bass of this family, our people, them. From the boss right down to everyone. We and them always, you know what I mean? We're war, you know. Bass of this Black Cat and Jaro, like with Trooper. One of these songs we play the most. Because all you hear someone call themselves dinosaur and someone call themselves lizard and someone call themselves crocodile, all different kind of thing. Yeah. Enough of the man never call themselves the Altoni Mataran. I can tell you without any shaking in my voice. Pieces do more clashes in dancehall than Tony Mataran ever did in his whole career. Because Pieces at one point, in them time, when first thing, when Mataran never play Addies, I know every week, when me I play Pieces back in the 90s to when we decide to we stop. Almost every weekend I be a war, me a war. I mean, I talk about only war with the Giants. I war with Megamus, Slice, Lecture Force, Rockstar, every sound, no matter what size you be. Bad inflow, no matter where you come from, no matter where your sound name. We go to Portland, we and Mandela, them, everywhere we go to war. Pieces are one of them sound that we war everywhere. So for here, you know what I mean, some man talk like, but you know, when I you group up with nobody still, but I do the war, and we are based on this as we get back to it.
And speaking about Addies, you know Addies about...
Yeah, man.
Yard clash or...
Yard clash and foreign clash.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Remember we war Mataran from Addies, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man, with Mataran and Babyface there jail that time, you know, them time, and I'm alone forward. And yeah, man, I choke out the living life all the time now, I'm over here, man, and play 2 bounty killer, man. Because them they say couldn't get no bounty. A lucky thing that we never did, Ray. So, here me use and beat him up now. After I got thing, Mama, she's not, you know, good, but I know them time there, you know. And the man come in, you know Mataran and him talking. Yeah, what the son, man? Oh, you have to say you're a big selector and your mother hungry. What do you mean your mother? you need to... You just say a selector when I make money and mama in a good mood. Hey, boy. I'm playing merciless. But mama, mama this and mama that.
yeah.
Remember, say him no know say them time I prepare for him, you know, because you know when I set trap, a trap we set for him because we have killer do a thing him. How you a guy talk about him mother is in a good mood because she eat a lot of food. So your mother work for your belly youth. By the time I drop that the bounty there, what counteract that the stuff there, the whole place. Yeah, and you know, we let him go at it and you know what I mean? At the time, you know, Mataran style when he realize say you're bad, like him or more than him give you a thing there. I'm not telling a lie, still you're bad still, you know. You're bad, you know, so I'm going to take care of my wings like when I'm little so like, that's how we matter about. What are you there? No, man, people, you know, so I have a bad thing. I don't know if you take care of you there. You know, so I'm one of the bad youth, I'm going to run the so you might change it like you want, little boy of your thing. But you know, say, I kill my cup to kill you, no, my jail. So if you give a thing, yo, man, I'm a youth, man. No, youth. Just come at town, come link me. I carry on and show you the ropes. Because people all who say bad, 200, you know, mobile, because say, yeah, man, I'm bad for you. But I go on like him a little boy up the thing like, you want to carry me along like my name Johnny Killer. You're good, man. I'm to your matter. Deal with them wicked.
How much are you
I give one of the history them take away from me. I can't take them take it from me and a bully thing and deal with me and then I give them my glory. You know. Rest in peace to Screen G, because you know I'm one of the greatest. And I can't say that without no apology, not because I'm dead and gone. He's a youth, he's a great friend of mine. Was a great friend of mine. And even when I start my venture, them man they put me on for enough dance, enough promotion, enough promoter I'm calling and give me number two. So here we go on now, you know, say the argument, I don't know if ever hear the man them use the argument about Screen G and rotten teeth. You boy Screen G go fix your rotten teeth. You know, say I'm the first selector by accident still. Say, yeah, Screen G have rotten teeth. Remember, I don't know Screen G have no rotten teeth. I don't know, it's just a thing.
Right.
Because I play a Vegas one game. Guns, I kill the fancy one now. In the verse, he say, them come and skin up, them thinking rotten teeth, but me I try to find argument in order to make certain to the punchline and get the forward right forget.
Right.
So me I say, which selector in have rotten teeth? But by the time I say something, Screen G, remember I say, me no know, say, so me here, but me I say, oh, did I just hear what I think I heard?
Right.
So I said, wanna say, which selector? Talk to me now who have rotten teeth. So every time I ask the question, the answer get more and more louder. So by the third time, wanna say I have rotten teeth, Screen? So I say, so you know, by the time I stand play and drop on the bossy place, watch out now. That done, the song done, Screen G come in and say, yo, all who say, because I was a dance with bodyguard pieces and bass at this in a St. Elizabeth. At time a Black Hawk play bodyguard sound at night there. Black Hawk forward on. You must say, all who say bodyguard for lock off that Screen G and say bodyguard for lock off make pieces and bass of this war. Because the boy Froggy can't talk about rotten teeth. Can remember, you know? He don't say so, you know, but that thing might insinuate. Lock off. Bodyguard and my boy goes up on the mic. Yo, that's the biggest forward for that. Screen G. Yeah, text it for me for you. You can go on like me tell you say you have rotten teeth. Yo, the whole place I go the boy black off. So from that you just get to it. Enough man see use it and I say, the most notably Mighty Crown, them do the ARP. I say, you boy Screen G, you fix your rotten teeth. Remember I say, these things. Remember, give Froggy the glory. I say, yo, you know, say you
yeah.
Yeah, but yeah man.
Mad. Eventually though, you moved on from Pieces. What happened there? Nothing?
Absolutely nothing. The funniest thing is, when I left Pieces, so you know, me and the boss had a conversation. You know, when you feel like, say, you want to just try something different. Mm-hmm. So at the time, me and my brother were apart at the time, striker. Him not even know say that him do. We just say, yo, I want to try a different thing because at this time now, the boss starts slow down with the voicing. And Pieces was not a sound where pride itself on old music, you know. Right. It was always a sound where... remember, say, when we go in on Pieces, every single song was on record, one new, you know, we have pan dub.
Yeah, pan dub.
So once it starts slow down, I start saying, yo, you hear me? I'm going to do something else, you know. I got farm my own sound. And at the time, I talked to the boss. I left Lollipop, we play one party, and I said, you know, so I feel like I go up on my own. I go do something and go up on my own. The time I go up on your own was a thing. Mataran, I do it. Firelings, go. You understand? Something I go up. And he said, well, I mean, I'm a big man, I will make a choice and I give him my blessings. And we just give him back the dub box and we part ways, I go foreign. And we start. Do the thing from over the sun, so we start Mad Squad. Even when we return to Jamaica, the boss pick me up from airport. They don't know pieces come pick me up at airport same way. Even the permit them where I fly upon and still under pieces, petition and things. So everything was just the same. We just had to do a different thing.
Yeah, I think
but no animosity never.
I think the last dance I played on Pieces was a Black Cat dance.
Black Cat up at Baltimore.
2001.
Yeah, February. February 2001 in Baltimore. It was Black Cat and Raw Deal.
So Mad Squad, was there ever a physical sound?
No.
Okay.
So even when we forward, we play on Pieces sound, and that we tell you, say, which is kind of weird still, but just to show that there was absolutely no bad blood, no nothing. Yeah. You know what I mean? Light gimmicks me every day when we say we're going to name Mad Squad. They say, but remember mad people, you don't have garbage, you don't really want to call on yourself that dog. Find a different name and you can't find a different. So it was straight vibes.
Just wrapping up the Pieces part of the journey. Which sound you kill the most in your Pieces time?
Black Cat.
Which sound kill the most?
Maybe Jaro.
Maybe Jaro.
Because Jaro killed me, you know. Alfredi, you know. Freddie get one good killer for me, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. No, me hear him saying kill me enough time, but the time when you hear him say, the first night when me, because I see him, I say, that look like a Freddie. So, but no, so Freddie don't play Jaro, so I can't hear him. I see him turn up in a car, and I remember I said them time that I one of them kind of dancer when I beat him from about. Remember not him. Because I remember not troop on there, I don't hype them and things, so you know, I easy kick them. So I just saw me a deal with them. Be a kick in the chest. And we had gone out with ourselves, and the man come around the sun probably about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Come play. Know the reason and too little thing. Get too forward. But if you ask me already I beat you up already. So I mean, you come in, of course you save yourself, but you didn't save yourself.
Yes, you never know him play Jerry. Actually clash him when in upon Super D.
But when Super D square off.
Oh, okay.
I never see him. They say nuts. Yeah, how long am I be?
Okay. Cool. So Mad Squad you know. 2001, you're a striker.
Yeah, we do the thing. Started it and it was great. You know, it was different and we knew and we start doing different kind of marketing in the colleges and the things. So we get a whole new generation of people that follow everything. And so much so that we bust so fast, still me not even know sufferation go with sound business. I tell you the truth. Yeah, I ask Light, I say Light, I can't come pass through a party. At the time it was a Wild Bunch anniversary, which at that time was the biggest party in Mobile. Look forward to party was Wild Bunch anniversary. And I tell you, the man say, yeah man, come play your talks to Froggy, man, come through, man, come. And the people know what I do. And I tell you, them time, you know, we go check killer them and be people. Because I say, yo, we have to make an impact. We can't just play normal like we are left pieces and we have to try to be pieces. We have to do something totally different. So, you know, we go to studio and get us something with Wild Bunch, for Wild Bunch especially. This is Bounty Killer representing for Wild Bunch anniversary and big up Father, this and Tony Crab and call everybody name. So we go there and lie, I say, in that time when I go there, big up Corey, because you know Corey I am, you know, my brother, I love him to death, you know, say, he give me a thing there, you know, when you introduce a little brother to come show what talent really is. Because remember I said, he lie now, Corey don't know the plan what me have in my head. So of course, you know, give me a thing name. I don't know, we're no bad man, I don't know, we're not kill champion or race champion, one Corey, you know. Which have been generally, they give you we're a race champion argument and say, come at the people, know how I'm going with, you don't know, no left pieces, so when I don't know one thing, you know, we're no bad man, so we give them a little, come burn a little thing at the people. I say, watch out. You know, say, I come going to shake up this place. So you know, so I go some boom and drop the thing there and shake up the place, and that was Sunday night. I collect my first deposit Monday morning. And from that, all day, Monday, Tuesday, right through, pay money. So I never go through no struggle, like say me struggle for bust my sound. My sound just bust.
Nice.
And then the next year, them call me for World Clash. That's how quick.
Yeah,
you know?
I think I did World Clash, 03 and 04.
Yeah.
03 was Spear 1, 04 was Junior.
Yeah.
Big league.
Yeah, man. In a known time, I tell you, I could have done more. But at the time, Chin hit me with that thing name. Here, what I go do phone. I go carrying up on the whole of the World Clash them. Now I go really good on no money still, but it I got good phone. I go Antigua, I go Yeso, I go get on a ticket and hotel room and go to food. And just come make on the name dog. And I said, so no money? I said, no, help you. I bust you. Rightfully so, if me the rich, that would have been a thing. Of course, we take the opportunity, but we need money. You know what I mean? So I can't wrong him for approach us like that, because he realized that we're hungry. We're hungry feet. But we never have the finances to facilitate the kind of dub what we need for approach the World Clash series. Because you talk about go 3, 4, 5 of them in a row. I don't have that kind of money there. I have to get paid for voice. So yeah. I don't give you, I think them no money once. So we just say, nah work.
That
so
work.
only did the 2 of them.
Yeah. Eventually you relocated, migrated.
Yeah.
Which year? That
2003, you know, I permanently did, you know, we did flirt with the idea for years still. Go spend time and feel out the place and know the streets and the ins and outs. But as my family moved there with us, and now at this time, my wife got pregnant with my son, so I just say, oh, yeah, she have vomit and a sick every morning and can't help herself on a level, so I did have to just go. You know what I mean? It was a tough decision for me, I'm not lie. But I know that it was the right thing to do. So I just left and got do what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah. And I think it was in about 2010 that yes. And even before we pick up the 2010, when you migrated, you were actually still playing Mad Squad.
Yeah, man, Mad Squad just
Froggy Mad Squad.
Mad Squad just turned into a foreign sound, you know. Because I tell you, as I tell you.
So Striker did circle that side too?
Striker still, Striker with their yard, but you are going. Me left Mad Squad at Jamaica with a fully 6 to 8 months steady bookings. And when me go foreign now, but you are going now, to be fair to him, he's not an MC, you know. He's my mixer. But him love talk, but him don't know an MC, you know, but he love chat. So him, you know, him probably feel like him could have managed. But what happened now, when me reach Florida now in Ireland and establish a whole Mad Squad movement there, book out 7 nights for the week. I remember me think, anywhere I go, I know if it run the place, you know. So the thing hot, so now some man say, but Mad Squad they are fine, but look like Froggy now come back. So you know all I date them dry up. So when they date them dry up, you know, him come after him, come join me.
Side. So you know we're establishing yourself now.
Yeah.
On the foreign side.
Yeah.
Where were you?
Orlando in Florida.
Florida.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big up the Orlando people, them, you know, accept me with open arms, I tell you. From them time, they believe me, man.
And then when the name changed from Froggy to Badda General?
Badda General like 2018, you know.
Oh, way down your road, that.
Yes, man.
Oh, so even when you started dabbling in production and recording, you were
Froggy Mad Squad, me I work off, but here I go and now teach them. In them time, you know, when we start dabbling at the production, and them time that, me even start produce. And me and Deli Ranks are spar right through, you know, them time that me and Deli Ranks are par, you know, like a Michigan and Smiley, you know, because the man I say, yo, and my general this, you know, I say, the baddest artist, them time the first me ever get so close to somebody that is an established artist on a friend level. So me always I say, yo, I don't understand how Deli Ranks not bigger than how him big. How I go on? So I start reach out, because you know, I select and I know Dan, because we done them when we start Mad Squad sound, done them a Vendetta sound, so we done them and Cool Face, them we always link up all about. Me and them apart too. We have a sound, them have them sound, we bad and them bad. Everywhere we walk, I be at vibes. So I said, Dan, I'm a big producer, I'm call Dan. I said, boys, I know you know. I said, I read him come up him. You know, I give you the kind of vibe. I said, wait. I don't like how that sound. Here I go and Deli. Me, I go produce the song. If them, remember Deli are big super producer, you know, but I know all super producers don't like to produce themselves. I don't know why.
Right.
So even though he produce all these great songs, him himself now get a hit out at the whole of the big catalog. So I say, yo, I go farm a label and we do the thing, and a Deli with me an artist. So I'm a brethren Tarantula in the foreign there.
Mad Spider.
We farm a thing named Mad Spider Productions. And here we're going with that now. Remember, you know, me a Mad Squad, you know. So me, Froggy Mad Squad is the mad part, and him the Tarantula, the spider is the spider part. So we put it together and it Mad Spider Production. And then me and Deli start do the thing. And right away, we first read him. And him tell me, I tell him, I have an idea for a song, you know. And I say, let me hear it now. And I sit like me in front of him, I say, yeah man, this is I want to use Frisco Kid style, and I say, video light. And I say, walk out in a video. And I say, no, that's bad, come record it. I say, no man, are you free record it? He must say, no man, your voice sound good, man, come record it something, man. Put on the headphone, in a film house in there, and the man just turn up in laptop and put up mic stand, and that time I first me even know, say, you know what I mean?
Right.
And put on the headphone for me and me do it. But me I say, yo, just this party alone me have. And I say, me not care, me I go put on the rest. You just sing that part. That time I don't know about cut and paste. So I just sing chop up and move and in between what I say, I see him DJ, and before you know it, it's a combination of me and Delly Ranks for my first song. Video Light. Which went on Reggae Gold album and nothing. I eat my first little piece of food.
With
a little $5 from VP. And I say, wait, money in it, a lie. I'm going to do this all the while then, because I think everything when I drop, I'm going to get money. You know? I think everything when I drop VP, I'm going to take from me. You know? So you know, say automatically, them shape me up for the first one. And give me money for the first one. And then I say, I'll have some money easy for me to over here. Ready, one next compilation. Bojo and everybody, I call up everybody.
So your first major
the
project
first thing
was...
of Bojo, Egyptian, Rere, Wayne Wonder, Sizzler, like my
what was the name of that project?
Basic Instinct. Mr. Lex, everything about 14, 15 songs, pay a bad artist. Almost video people make off of my thing. I remember say VP come in and take it. And give me money for 2 songs. And the amount of money they give me for 2 songs, which is no whole heap of money, you know, but at that time, I say a lie, money can't make off of this. So no wicked son, you couldn't tell me this long time. I never make another dollar for them again, man. I tell them, man. I seriously after that, I go eat every time I drop a rhythm. I just call them and say, yo, you know, so I have a next thing. Listen one water off it and take it and give me money. But the next rhythm when I drop, them actually call me and tell me, say them they want the Bojo off of the rhythm. And when I call Bojo and I say, yeah, I say, him want such and such amount. So me if charge enough so that me can eat and him can eat. So when I tell them, man laugh, I say, oh, you mad man, nobody pay them the money there again, Froggy. I go with that, man. So I said, the man said, just tell the DJ, so I'm going to pay this amount of money. I said, I can't do that. The man give me a strict orders for follow. And from Bojo said that thing, what I can do, I don't want to mess up my relationship because so I just, you know what, make it stay. If you preserve my friendship with DJ, I not really give it the song.
Yeah, well, I think the first song that you did, as in vocal-wise, that actually started to get some love was Don't Tell Me.
Yeah, man.
I wish.
No. I wish that the first song was Get the Love.
Right, so that means we get some
no, here I go now. Remember say them time I'm transform, you know, I'm going to Optimus Prime and go Badda General pan them and them don't know, you know. Because I have a song, I'm do a foreign. Over in America, they want a hungry day, we're not now going and the pocket empty. And I say, God no, I'm a virgin there. And I say, you know, I need a piece of food. What we could do for generate some dub plate? So I do a thing named Badda. Badda, you feel know, say, Brooklyn, man, Badda. No straight go over Queens. Because remember, I never tell them I don't know nothing about New York too tough. Because I don't go to New York. You know, I just know the name of the place. Them, and I say Flatbush and this and that and that. I'm blast it out, my Dan. The blast, me go blast out the song now. I start here thinking, what do you want for that W? So for that day, I make about $3 and I say, a lie. A lie, my bad. So now sound start voice it, so I start get little underground playing, you know? 2 little mixtape and 2 little things to start here, me think pan. And then my brethren start saying, oh, that come. And then see me I walk in with my figure play music and go, oh, this the Badda boss. I remember my song named Badda. So it a go on. So by the time he call me, so 2 times. You know, so it have a ring to it. So after that, I just say, you know, so I call myself Badda General. Because that song, the video and everything I do for that song, it's under Froggy. Because I'll drop off all the mad squad off. I say, yo, the man them now give me no love to them, know me a selector, me a bad selector. The worst selector, them are dead if them play my song.
Yeah.
So you know, say that I have to do and switch it up on them. Trim off all my ear and ball off all my head and crepe off my head, you know. And start wear glasses and turn me out to the back and I say, yo, you know, say, I'm going to change up my image because then now give Froggy the love. So by the time I change to Badda General, and even when I do I wish, true story, my brother in Jazzy T, Renaissance. Jazzy T and Delano, them I look for Badda General for how long. Remember the man them call all my phone, you know, and that. When the man finally call me, I say, yo, Froggy, I try to find the artist named Badda General, but I look for Badda General. The page was Badda General, I pay you, I see funny. Are you a manager? Are you an artist? And I say, yeah, man, I'm an artist, man. I say, yeah, I want the dub, man, because, you know, so we want to play, we want to do a mix, and, yo, I need the dub, I have an idea for the dub. Make the artist voice the song for me now. And I voice the song and send me to them. And I say, yeah, man, tell the artist thanks. Remember, I say, him no know, say I mean. You see, but true because I say, yo, I want to try to find a way to get it. But before that, I do a thing named Money Up. I'm call Liquid. I say, Liquid, I think I find an idea. So send him come at me here. By the time I send him go get Liquid, him say, yo, you know, say it have a buzz. I'm going to try a fight and see how it works. And the man give me a run there. And you know, say this song have catch up. Send the money to my Money Up. Because at the time I say, you know, nobody sing nothing about no send nothing to no Zella, no Cash Up, and no way. I'm going to make a song about that. And I try to change the way I DJ, I try to change my flow into what become my style.
Yeah, so.
At the time, people, it's weird because I talk me now DJ. My girl, if you want me to rub your belly, just send some money to me zelly and baiting. And liquid get the run. As I see the thing a bubble, as I see the water start get warm, and I see, when you boil water, you see the little bubbles them at the I say, I don't wait for this bubble have to start. I just drop I wish. So, and I blast it out on my WhatsApp and then the rest of it is history.
And speaking about liquid, you and liquid would have, you know what I mean?
Collaborated on many.
Yeah, but I think when people, the artist Badda General, I think a lot of people associate Badda General with Barrel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because that was a very big song
who
got endorsement from the WAF and the whole thing. And
oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. I use it as an theme song. I go do everything, sign all contract and receive all crazy payments.
Crazy payments.
Good, man. We eat food, man. We eat food out there.
And then on the remix here, I think, and Shatta Style.
Yeah, Shatta Wally and Style go on it.
Wally, yeah.
Yeah, Shatta Wally. Big up the whole of Ghana, you know, Shatta Nation. Yeah, man, I'm going feet, man.
Yeah, so and some other songs in the catalogue that I would have listened to, like Badness and them songs there, Bitterness and State of the Union and them something there.
Yeah, man, me and Liquid, in the lockdown, me and Liquid just go at them. Because so much things was happening. And you know Jamaica is a movie, you know, so when you're outside Jamaica and I watch a movie, you know, you say, yo, no, this is bad. I have to take a song about this.
Jamaica is a movie.
Yeah, so in them time, you know, me and Liquid attack. Remember, him have nowhere to go and me have nowhere to go. So with these, they just chat. And everything we talk and laugh about, him knows that I have the ability to make it in a song, you know. So I'll just wake up all the morning and I'll give a thing, yeah, I'm going to shake up the place. You know, you go and you say, just make it into a song. And that time the people them have nowhere to go, no music to listen, no artist now release no song. So we just seize the moment and drop a whole heap of things.
I think the first album of sorts was the Money Up Project.
Yes, sir. Did very well for me.
And then There was the second album.
Yes, doing very well.
And that is it. There's no more album after that yet.
Yeah, because right now I don't feel like album are the way. I just feel like,
Singles.
Enough people say it's good to have a body of work. But people still go up on the album. And
when things are still?
Yes. I believe if it was a situation where you click on one, you get all.
Right.
But when somebody can go in your 15 song track or your 10 list and also, I like number 3, and a number 3 alone I'm listening to. The rest of them, you have all 10 song track on iTunes, and this one you have 10 million streams, and the rest of them have 200,000 or 100,000. I am definitely not against album because I'm working on one as we speak, but as I said, sometimes it kind of don't make you feel away. You release 10 songs and I want the people I work with, when 10 of them are available. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand what you say still.
But it's good for the profile, man. Like, good for the profile. And when you Google Badda General, they would have shown the albums that you did. So yes, I understand.
Yeah, and eventually I think the label name was changed from Mad Spider to Real Squad. Real Squad
Production. Big up to Wayne Wonder because he was the one who suggested that.
Okay.
At the time.
So Van Wayne Chance.
Yeah, Mr. Van Wayne say, yo, hear me now, don't scatter up your thing, put everything on a one squad. Say, you gotta just make a real squad. And I say, sing, you know, that's the baddest thing. And he say, yeah, man, Real Squad Records, man, I could do it, man. And he even end up give me a tag. Real Squad Records, what me that use. Yeah, because you know, Wayne Wonder, I'm done, and him spar right show. So, you know, him encouragement helped a lot. Yeah, him one of the singers, them were, when they even learn how to mix things, a man will just get a thing. Here we do. Take off some of the reverb and send it back to me here. Yes, a tool low, so put that up. There's a tool that do that, change that. That kind of half key, say that way. Yeah. So instead of telling him, here we do, I'm gonna make somebody else mix it. He must say, I know that you can do it. So here, do it again, I'm here.
Okay.
Try again. No, that one I not eat this. Go back in and scrap it down and redo it again.
Yeah.
So you send it to him 10 times and him send it back to you 10 times. I cannot. I know eat this, madam. Here we go. You said this wrong. You do this wrong. This is wrong. That is wrong. Yeah. So that's why I love you. Like I'm a big brother, you know?
Yeah. Musically speaking, though, at this point along the journey, what has happened that you look upon it and say, yes, you know, that will motivate me to continue fight and produce?
Right now, I not like people them. Yeah, because I've gotten a lot of messages.
You have found joy in production and record. Where are you most happy though in terms of, you know, producing or
I'm going to be honest.
Recording.
Playing music, I'm one of the most me feel like, it just feel like home. It feel like I know if I do this so good.
Right.
You know what I mean? Nobody never have to teach me. I never have to send like a speech to anyone that him tell me, say, yo, say it that way or say it that way. So it was, yeah, I'm a natural place.
Yeah, and speaking about natural place, in recent months, you know, news came out that you have acquired Pieces catalog.
Yes.
Big Bad catalog.
Yes, acquired and getting into a business with me and the boss who do the thing, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're officially now playing music again?
Along with everything else.
Along with everything else.
Yeah, because I don't want nobody feel like me playing music, meaning that Badda General not voicing no songs or not doing any dubs. Or, I just feel like I'm talented enough. I may have the time now because my children are not little babies anymore. So now I can play sound on Tuesday and perform on Saturday. If I want.
What led to you, you know, acquiring what was the conversation or what chip and say, yo, you know, say, oh, the opportunity just present itself and you
no,
see
you know, it's like a drug, you know. You know, just like you, because I get to understand you try build sound or building a sound. All right, but you know the funniest thing I now teach. Yeah. You know, my daddy as a selector. And due to the relationship with me and my ex-virgin, our parted ways, and it was one of the motivations for me to even stop select in the first place.
Oh, okay.
So when that occurred, me end up I say, yo, you hear me? Mad Squad there, some Mad Squad up there, so like some franchise business. I just love it. And not only am I going to love it, I'm going to change my whole name. I'm going to go Badda General, and instead of playing music, I'm going to sing music. And it happened that it work, I'm going to get for can survive that way there. But being a selector, you know, it take a while before I go back into the dancehall scene, even to go out and dance. So you know, people, I am for host two things.
Oh, cool.
As the host, some sound festivals, I'm going to go Cayman and go host one, and I go over to go host one, and I go another place, and I go couple things, I go and see couple things. And when I'm doing them, I tell us the sound, I don't know, they come like, come home, no man.
Come home.
Come home, what you do over there? Say, yo, come. So it's like me there, I tell us, it's like me a
Skin a
itch.
scratcher, man.
I go to Chilani down on my bridging, Interceptor.
Oh, Soundfest.
Father Froggy them invite me for host the sound festival down at Chilani. And I tell you, teach them. I there in a place and it just come like, you just reach back home. I say, you know, say, and then now, Interceptor now say, hold a microphone here. You know the man put the microphone in my hand. What's a lot of teach them when the man put the microphone in my hand? The engineers, sniper them, give me the, because, yo, so I'm talking to them. Teach them.
Go
the mic full and the whole of me full of, because I know, I hear something. So, I forget Interceptor sound, so I credit to you, and, you know, right there and then, I reach back to Florida and I house, sit down and say, wait. I wonder if, you know, I'm going to build a sound. I'm going to build a new sound.
But bite it again,
yeah,
brother.
so I say I'm going to build a new sound and I'm going to start it over from scratch, and I start voice some dub for my own self. I call it One General Movements with Badda General. I got to peel back my One General Movements. Start voice all my dub them and them thing there. And I talk to one of my brethren from Moby at the time, in their Florida now, you named Della. I talk to Della and Della say, so what make you kill up yourself for build or something from scratch? What make you call father like, you not good? You know the man says so, and I bulb just go off in your brain like, yes, the box cover, I call the boss. And believe me, just pick up my phone. Right there and then I hang up from him and call like, I say, Lord, so I'm Froggy, what going on, everything, how your family, you know, not regular greeting. I say, yeah, everything good, man, you know, I don't want to chat to you about that thing. Oh, what's up? I say, you know, so I want to get back into the selecting business and pieces more. So where's the problem? I said, I don't know, I ask, but I want to know if, why I do this sound, because I want, yeah, man, listen me, that's what you want to do, the dubs are here, just come for them, take them. If you want to get them sent to you, but them need fix up and them need clean up, and I say, that's the least of the problem. So, when you say it's a go, yeah, man, I'll be talking time, things start going on, we make things go on and everything, and it was like, not even a good conversation, which, when we hang up, I left on, did that just happen? Because it's just effortless, no farmer. Why, how we are going to do this, and how we are going to do that, and how this is going to go on. It's just like, yeah, man, anything good, ready. Yeah. And before you know it, the dub start come to me in an email.
Man.
And boom, everything just happened.
You are now
Yeah. CEO.
CEO.
Yeah. Operations manager. I mean, I manage the whole operation, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, the boss, you know.
Yeah.
But I mean, I manage the business. The owner of them, you know, to see the owners and you know, to see the people that are really own the business.
Right.
You don't see the people that run the business. Yeah.
So have you taken any dates officially
Yes,
since?
man. Yes, man. And since I made the announcement, teacher, I must say the response has been overwhelming. I tell you. As a matter of fact, you know, say Rubber Dub Thursdays, you know, later on. But apart from that, I've been playing, man, Florida everywhere, man. And the date them are coming New York all about, man, Washington, D.C. all about, Guyana all about, everywhere, man.
Nice. And funny, as I said that in a couple of the recent interviews, I know I talked to Chulups about it, I talked to Father Redman about it, I talked to a few other people where, you know, you have big sounds from in the past, where now play no more.
Right.
See, but the catalogs are there, put out when some massive tune.
Right.
Brush off, man, and out and playing, man, and keep the thing going. So I'm really glad, say,
well,
you have had a lie, the kind of work out a thing for
well, it was
big catalog on Back Road.
For me, it was a blessing that me and the owner of the piece is always maintain a good relationship. So it was, as me tell you, even me the surprise of the response from him when me approach him with this. Because I could have easily just say, well, I don't know about that, you know.
Right.
I mean, right now, I don't want that. But him just hand it to me. You know what I mean? I know, say, of course, how it go. Enough man and them ex-boss have no great relationship.
True.
You know what I mean? So if you go in a man house, I know you probably can't go deal with my wife. You could have to go deal with some different people who tell you, say, that can't go on, you know. So how the money part will go. And you can't approach it on a money level where you start back. And you don't even know how it will go.
True.
You know what I mean? But like Chulups, if him have Jamrock thing, man, then he can rise back because Jamrock was a powerful entity.
Because even Freddie said if Father Dennis ever link him and say.
Yeah, but him not have to wait for Father Dennis link him. Him going to link Father Dennis.
Which is true too.
Maybe if me that wait for a light for link, my light wouldn't link.
Which is true.
Yeah, so sometimes I just make the move and make the link.
Which is true. Yeah, man, I'm glad for that still, man. Because as I said, enough of the big sounds from in the 90s, when I play again, the cars, the sound owner probably have youth who are interested in anything like this and that. And you know what I think? So we're always glad to hear when big sounds are come back around.
Yeah, man, and Pieces are big sound in there.
Big sound.
Yeah, man, a terrible sound.
Big sound. So I could talk about something in the Pieces catalogue. List me 5 dub plates from then touch it turntable or the console, then never miss.
We have a thing named Wayne Wonder, Bojo Banton and Capet, and a thing named Live and Learn. Listen to me, I tell you. I swear to you, teach them. Up to last night, I played up at one place. Because you know, we play at one place up at Mobile there. We played a couple things at Mobile last night.
Since your father?
Yes, man.
Oh,
no,
cool,
I must say, I don't come here for count, you know. I come for deal with the thing, you know. But we got some boom now. And even last night, I tell the boss, I say, yo, Lyle, you know, I say, what a dub. Like it never miss. All my years of doing this, it never miss.
That's a one. Bojo, Wayne, Capeton.
All right, I have a Bojo, Wayne, and Tony Curtis dub plate. Sailing. Listen to me, I tell you. I'm nothing good. Nah, you know, not normal. I'm Bojo. And I remember I said that a 1 in a million, I tell you about now, you know.
Oh, no, alone have the combination there.
Yeah, man, nobody can touch it. Man. Untouchable we are talking about. Some different thing we are talking about. All right. I have a dub plate for Pieces name. Oh me, oh my, Garnet Silk. You hear me, I tell you now. And I'm nothing good. See?
And a Garnet, a goal.
Yeah, now I am Pieces have a portion of it. You know what I mean?
Who?
Pieces have a portion of Garnet.
Oh,
so you
okay,
know,
cool,
a portion of gold. So
that's important.
Yes, man. My laptop
Tune for tune.
Heavy, man.
When you can go there, man, there.
Yes, man.
You're in a good standing,
yes,
you know?
Man. We have another, I'm telling you which other dub pan
Sure,
Pieces.
you're gone, you know.
I'm telling you which other dub pan Pieces on. I like. We have a Bounty Killer and Beanie Man from 1993. This was when Bounty Killer and Beanie Man no deal, none at all. You couldn't even get them in the same area together, whereas the same studio voicing room. And we did that. Yeah. We did that. So that was a great achievement at that time.
My thing.
We have a Little John and Bojo combination.
Big dub that.
Listen to what I say. When them they drop a straight shelling.
Mad.
I tell you, say, right now, I got one more. Not enough more, you know. I'm just trying to sieve through for say which Pieces dub. What I say in the catalogue. You know, so we have a Capleton, see? In Bowen. Listen to what I tell you. We talk about Mobile too, you know. When you drop all them things there down there, and not good night that way. We have a thing named Marathon, you know, a Marathon dub plate there with about 5 artists, Shabba them and Major Mackerel them and Johnny P and John Wayne and Lecturer them and bag thing. Remember when that dropped down, may God go with you teach them. He can't stop playing.
Can't stop playing.
You hear me say no, man?
Yeah. What's your favorite rhythm for cut pan?
Right now, you know, say I still put on him and work with. I'm not busy about nobody when I'm switching now. Right, that's something there in that. I put on everything there, hear that? Yes, sir.
All right, please, man.
I read him there, man.
What's your favorite artist to cut?
I like Wayne Wonder.
Okay.
I like Wayne Wonder due to the relationship. And you know what I mean?
And Wayne Wonder don't play it in Miss Snyder, brother.
Yeah, no.
Most of the big sound and the anthem involves something with Wayne Wonder.
Yeah, Wayne Wonder. Yeah, Wayne Wonder. In enough man catalog as one of them anthems. Yeah, Wayne Wonder. Wayne Wonder have that style there. End up in the anthems.
Yeah. In the pieces dub plate box,
yeah.
Which artist dominate it?
Right now, boy, me never do a physical count, but it's between Bojo, Mad Cabra, Wayne Wonder, and Bounty Killer.
Big sword.
Yeah.
Where you going?
No.
Where you going?
Bojo, Bounty Killer. You see Albini?
Yeah.
Enough being, enough Cabra, enough. And I know when I'm cleaning back up these dubs, you know, and mixing them over now, I start to say, but look here, so much. This a joke. Because no me I said, oh, we ever lose a clash in our history though. With all these great dub plates.
And that's all that great dub plates.
But remember back in the 1990s, and we alone have great dub plates. I've won back all the great dub plates.
Right.
So you challenge all the greats.
Which sound or selector you enjoy stringing up against the most back in the days? It was whether you win or lose, it was just a good vibration. Panther.
Yeah. We kind of take nothing personal.
Sports, man.
Yeah, he's a man. You diss him and you kill him or he kill you. As he done, yeah, what I do? When I left out, all of we drive out together, all of we stop and eat food together. Like, the first time him do that to me, you know, it's weird to me because when I hear a man diss all my mother and everything, I diss all back for him and I think to myself, I done the friendship done, you know. And then the man just say, yeah, what I do? I eat some food, we can't stop them, son. I say, who this man?
Most of the man say that about Panther for sure.
Yeah, him not hold nothing. So, it's a bridge, you know, screen to him, screen do that to him, him not business, but we and basically this clash enough time without Squinjito, so we can't even compare. Yeah. Like we and Black Cat clash every time with Panther.
Which sound and selector give you the most problems back in the days?
Trooper,
Jara.
Yeah, I don't know because I did feel like I'm a bad man in my first half.
Oh, you thought Trooper was a real bad man?
Me think Trooper was a man who we just, if you all listen to me, I come punch you in your face. Like me feel same way like the body's human being. The way operate and the way he present himself.
Yeah.
In the time, them, I don't want to string up too close to Jara, you know, because I don't want to think like spans off all your face and everything, you know. But you know, me and Jara play a dolly stand. And gunshot start fire and baiting start happening and baiting. And I jump off around one place because I'm not afraid to tell people I'm a coward, you know. So you have to know, say, coward man keeps on one. So you know, so I go to boom and jump over a shop counter and roll on like the counter so. And be a shot and buckle and mash, you know, me all the and when I turn and look to the side of me, no Trooper, I see. So I say, oh, Trooper on your side and me on the other side. So that meaning no bad. So I say, people, wait. So I look at him and say, Trooper. And he goes, sir, one thing, you back up in my eyes, son. I say, the way the back all the splinter fly by my t-shirt. And I say, Trooper, where are you, sir? And he say, oh, you mean, man, you think me iron? So he might hide. The way my friend teach them, no matter hide on me, like me can't fathom say, I Ricky Trooper this bend on that place, I say, hide. Curl up on that counter, and me and him the side and side, and they hide from people. So I say, so what you doing here, sir? Hear me? The man going in pocket like this.
Yeah.
And when him going in pocket, so I say, okay, this is the Trooper, I know, I think about Papa have sitting. Let me look and take out one picture. Hear me, I say, teacher, cool man, we can't deal with teacher. Teacher, the man take out a picture. See, man? You see what I put on the first day I left it in a dog. The first day I left it in a this happening. And I said, show me what up on the picture. Where you show me? Like a picture and pick them. Show me. I don't like contact. Say, from that, teach them. From that day, they start say, okay. So the whole way I coward. So you're no bad man. And me no bad man. All right, watch your style here. The next night after that. The next time after that, we are in my clash. When I walk going in dance, me know say nobody, me know now, you know. I don't know if nobody else in the world know. But me know, because me and him are hide together. So you know, I just walk over and just grab all the microphone from him around there. That boy chopper, watch how you doing and he goes, he might look for me like, the man look for me but not on me, he might look bait like myself. I can't Froggy alone, I feel there with some bad man. But remember, I know no bad, so I grab microphone out and now and start elbow man and start, because remember, I say, I know say you no bad. I start hearing I tell the promoter them and the people, pieces all warmonger sound and mash them over some of that. Hey boy, Froggy, how do we go with the war in business? People tell them say no war tonight. So we find no peace. Everywhere I go, I'll polish down, I go, give me that mic. Hey boy, chopper, where you chat off from? Hold this and show back mic. Because remember, I know no bad. But that don't mean to say you can't defend yourself. I just know, say.
Yeah, that's what I have, so man.
As a person, now I'm not afraid of you again. The fear when I feel. He gone. Come see you hide beside me. If you never hide beside me, no a different thing. But from see you hide me, I say this. I done it done for you, but you can't trick me. But am I done still?
Yeah. With sound, back then you then pay money for you to set up and watch a kill sound. And your favorite class sound that outside of the sound that you will play.
Maybe Squingy them, based on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always rate him. I remember I say Squingy a coward too, you know. Don't bother get it twisted. I don't want to feel. Rest in peace, because you know, when I'm a general, I check for me. Good, I'm a check for him. But I ask Mark or anybody, I'll lie at DJ Mark, I'm a friend too, you know, I tell lies, say, he never lose no clash, you know. But Mark, I'm a done. But hear me now. Squingy, if him not get no new song, he not clash me. I tell you that, if him not, like how Panther would have got a clash.
Man, his own said that to Steve.
Yeah, man, he called, him not shoot off fire. If furthermore we all just go dance and turn up there and play. I tell you, different people have to work and get the song them what. Yeah. Meanwhile, me and we just go without light advice, you know, where I go. You know what I mean? So it's different.
So I know you say based on this is still.
Yeah.
Saying, but with selector, you know, the space from them time till this time, again, you then pay money for go turn up and watch a kill people.
Squingy. Yeah, because him entertaining.
Him that for true.
He entertaining bad.
Panther
to what Squingy true. Panther is more of a comedy show. But of course, but I pay my money for go see him too.
Yeah.
But Squingy is a man when if he plan for you and get the arms what you want, you are going to die.
Yeah, I got dead for sure. Yeah.
And I'm going to say the thing now.
Yeah. Which sound are you juggling sound from them time?
Stone Love. Alright, you know, so like I'm tell you, Rory was my idol. Rory was my idol until I meet him, you know. You know, Rory was my idol until I meet him. I hate them like a poison, you know. I've never seen somebody when I like, so I hate someone.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, the man is the worst somebody I ever meet. When I meet him, I vex when I meet him.
Never
because
meet the idols, man. I never hear that.
The love and respect and admiration of me they feel as a human being. Because I remember me more than just a human to me. I come like him and went Christ to me, you know. And then I meet him and realize that I say, what kind of man this man? I meet the man the first time I'm there in one space with him. I'm there in New York in one radio station. Pieces and Stone Love was for play the dance. And we go in a radio station and I go see him. I'm telling you when I walk in a radio station and see him, teach them. Come like a God, me see that. Because remember them telling me, I'm a big man, I want to fly, I do my thing. And New York with it, and I like me, you know, country selector now, I see town man come in. And, no, all the way there foreign. My chain big to a drop down on my chest to everything. I go down after my clothes nice and clean. So you know, I walk in and see him and still feel like a little selector. I say, what you man? And they run the microphone on the control, but I'm talking, and the virgin who do the interview at the time named Squeeze, a virgin from New York. Squeeze, I say, yeah man, but Rory, but remember that I'm pieces in the studio too, and you know what I mean? So before that, you know, me start dislike him still, you know. So this was just the straw I broke the back with the camel back. So you know, I go some woman, I just see the man stand up in front of the microphone and Squeeze, I say, so pieces, come in man, people in New York know, so no day in our place, man, and Ray, we're Stone Love tonight, and it's going to be a big event, and Ray. So you stand up there. I remember now my idol, you know, say, no, I'm not too, so move out of the way. I expect the dog to just move out of the way. Yeah. So you stand up, and just stand up on the microphone. And so, you know, when I time I start, I'll knock all my foot. I say, wait, what is this bridge? I move. And Squeeze, I say, pieces, come on. Hear the man. Well, Squeeze, you have to know that these guys are country people, you know. They come to, you know, them never used to the foreign things, so you have to talk to them in a way where them can. Dog, some vein in my forehead I never see before come up, Mr. Man. I want to fight the man so till all me dip on a bite out. Yeah, all me shake, me all shake. Come here, I say, how can I style in this man radio station? My idol and I love stuff all my life. Just at this me on radio. And the one Nico Bamba me did it to, and the one Nico said to me, Froggy, my man on me, you know. I remember saying, see the look in my eye like, tonight now going to be a good night over that place, you know. Remember a piece of somebody in New York could do all of my song them and I go fight, you know. And maybe a thing to, you know, so maybe a man keep it and bag and maybe a people. All that I said, teach them. From them the time, you know, everywhere we go. 2 to go before pieces, you play a 30 more song.
Oh.
If you play a 3 more songs, you play a 30 more minutes. I say, no, I hate that bridge. So from them time to that, we just dislike it for them something. Remember saying, although I can tell you, say, he still the man. I tell you. Whether or not I don't like him or not, that have nothing to do with him talent, so I'm possessed.
With sound, I sweetest sound system ever you string up from your ear sound and play.
Without a doubt, I can answer this real quick and fast. I never hear a sound. One time I go in and dance, I hear Travelers sound. I swear to you, I never hear a sound play good like Travelers. At that time, I have to think to myself, no, I can't. It was Travelers and Stone Lover. You know, Stone Lover are one of them peak of farms, so play good all the while. And the man calling Travelers, I tell you, it's like a radio compared to a big sound.
Stone Lover was like a radio to Travelers.
I turn up there, me and Killer they go to dance, me and Bunty and some more. Ashy them and some more going to one place. And I say, no, but you know, I never hear a sound place like a stereo radio, like a big, everything I move around in that. I said, no, what a sound play good.
Earlier, the sound where the lead the answer the question was inner city.
No, inner
but
city.
Then now, in the recent interviews at Travelers,
if you never
selected them as
inner city play good, especially the middle column, because they used to have a skyscraper column in the middle. But the one Mark, you know Mark a bad engineer too. Yeah man, Mark terrible with the engineer business. Because right now they are foreign and I'm a string and build every sound.
I see video them man, I see an acid video them.
No man, him string a whole heap man. A whole heap of sound them play good. At one time Mark even come string pieces sound to one time, you know.
Okay.
Back in the idea, you know. Yeah man, come tune up pieces sound and they have appear one man.
Yeah.
But
for the promoters them out there, whether them about Badda General the artist, Badda General the pieces selector,
Froggy the pieces selector.
A Froggy the pieces selector, or an artist out there I try to do some work with a producer, how them find you?
Well, me not hard to find. Plus my number is readily available if you put Badda General in a Google to say, or if you put Froggy in a Google. You know what I mean? You might see what a frog come up, but say you go with Badda General.
Badda General,
But you know, you can get the number if
run it man, man.
Yeah, so it's 407, depending on where you are in the world, you know what I put before, but if you call in, you know, it's 407-924-6852. It's 407-924-6852.
And the socials them?
Badda General right
everywhere.
through because tiring for build all one new set of pieces, social media side, you know.
Understand, man.
But just I use all my mixes and everything what I put out now, I still load it on the Badda General page, which I just drop a pieces mix, 2 mixes what are going really good. So you can go check them out.
Listen to them, man.
Yeah.
Already.
Teach them and go in, you know.
You know, we try familiarize yourself with the thing there, brother. Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah, man. And everything I go on good so far, teach them.
I'm glad to hear that, man. Brother.
Yes, man.
Give thanks, you know.
Yes, man. Love and honor, man.
You don't know. Go and do the thing and all the successes that, you know, you hope, musically speaking and sound-wise speaking, you attain them, brother.
Yeah, man.
And you're one of the man who do it, man. You say, Corey and Froggy, man.
Yeah, man.
Froggy and Striker, man.
Yeah, man. When him go along in the infamy, man,
did it, man.
Good, man. So, you don't know, I have to big up the people, them. I remember, I used to do this long time, too, you know, but yeah, I tell teach them one at a time, I see them on a liquid thing, and I say, teach them, you know, my history not done right, I say, suppose me to do it. Who don't have this to talk about? Enough things go on.
Time, man.
Yeah, man. So,
time, my bro,
yeah,
man.
True, man.
Time, man.
Yes, man.
Not for a reason,
and big up
but
everybody.
Know, everybody.
Yeah, big up everybody. Big up everybody who are lucky. And as me I say, for all people who interested in bookings, no matter if a Badda General you book or Wackle and Tackle, me have every link. You understand me? Froggy Pieces. Yeah. 407-924-6852. Mad.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.